Tradeify Nation, welcome back to another London session stream. It's Monday, August 10th. Happy Monday, guys. Happy first day of the week. I hope everyone had an amazing weekend, had time to chill, relax, but also get back locked in because we're in for another killer week here on London Sessions Monday. So this is the first day of the week to start your trading week green, and your first day of the week to lock in and show yourself that you can be focused and disciplined and make that money this week. So I'm very excited, of course, to be back. We're also going to be joined by Nick later, so we will have the full London Session gang back together. So wait for that, because that's going to be definitely exciting that'll be an hour away from now. But for now, you're stuck with me as usual. Let me see who's here. Good morning, Miss K. Good morning, J-Ram. Good morning, Alex Johnson. Good morning, Sebastian. Good morning, Why Not Kobe. Dennis. Good morning, Laurent. Good morning, it's Reckless. Jason, Jimmy Trades is here nice and early. Good morning, Leia. Good morning. Christo Cape Town, PPX Trades, Gamer Apex. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Amazing. Everyone is here. There are so many names, and I can see you all dropping your good mornings. Good morning to you all. Let's get into it, Roman. We'll switch to the charts, and we'll just see what we're having to deal with today on NQ. This is the NQ as usual, guys. I will break this down from the top and let you know what I'm looking at, and then we can compare and see if I'm just completely off today. So right now what I'm looking at is the daily chart. This is currently the daily candle where we've taken out previous day high. So we have already had a significant sweep of a significant level there, previous day high, but I'm also watching that high put in from Wednesday. And along with that, these equal highs that I've been talking about for the last week, I'd say. These equal highs are definitely something where my eyes go to on the charts because they're just way too smooth. And maybe today's the day, you don't know, but definitely looks like this week we're going to continue into those highs, continue this bullish move. So what we saw last week is we had this bullish daily fair value gap hold. So on that candle close on Thursday when we held with a wick, we closed and held the midpoint of this gap. So as you can see, like, exactly 50% of that gap was respected and held. And then we closed with a nice wick inside, and then had a following day which closed bullish, which was the Friday candle close. And then today we've already gone on to take out that previous day high. So we're already showing that bullish momentum and strength to the upside. So hopefully that continues into those highs. That level is 30,094. That is a very, very close target, only like 200 points away. So yeah, that definitely is looking like this price like here where we were last week selling off is definitely just looking like the pullback of this continuation move to the upside. So now we're naturally seeing another move back up. Definitely then the next highs inside is these ones here. These are those equal highs. Look at that. They're just way too smooth here. And so yeah, for the session today though, given that we have had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like these are 6 4-hour candles. So that's even of more significance because these are 4-hour candles, high time frame, bullish candles. So after seeing that, I am expecting, yes, a pullback at some point into this leg of price. We had a lot of consolidation down here from Wednesday, Thursday, and then of course, expansion follows after consolidation, but after expansion, you would expect a bit of a pullback as well. So this is quite a large range to work with. So what I would do is pull the fib from that low to the current high that we're seeing. And I can see the midpoint of this price leg is around 29,697.75. So that is an area of price I could potentially expect us to draw back into 697, around 29, 700 there. If not, because there's no gaps, there's no fair value gaps right now to draw back into, then at least down back into take out Asia low. And Asia low right now is sitting at 29,788.50. So we've already taken out previous 4-hour high, we've taken out Asia high, we've taken out previous day high. So we are high in relation to the day right now. We're high. But in saying that, this can keep blasting higher and I could be completely wrong. But if I'm going to try catch a reversal to take a pullback today, it looks like we could get a nice opportunity in the London session based on all those levels being taken out and based on Asia lows still being intact there. So that's what I'll be actually watching today. But high time frame, as I said, those highs up above at this level here, just above 30,094 is the level overall I expect us to reach by the end of the day, tomorrow, like it's there, it's in sight. So that's what I'm thinking. Let me know in the chat now, how's everyone doing? Is anyone in any trades already? Like, have I missed something? Have you guys already taken long, shorts? I, for one, didn't take this short here. I'm definitely waiting for something of more significance on the 1 minute, because right now all we're seeing is bullish price action being held up. So it's not the cleanest. Like that 4-hour candle had a nice bottom wick on it and then just a complete bullish candle close there. So signaling there is a lot of bullish strength right now. But yeah, so if I'm going to take a short, it's going to need like a nice looking 15-minute candle at least, something with a wick to the upside, something showing that there is a little bit of weakness right now, only strength. Only pink candles in sight right now. All right, let's see what you guys are up to. Good morning, G for Geo. Is it very short-term, bullish long-term? Yes, you got it. That's exactly what I'm saying. Tedem, good morning. Jimmy Cho's already been in 1L and 1 win today. Awesome. I mean, hopefully that winner outweighed your loss and you made it all back and then some. But I mean, damn. I'm missing out on trades, Jimmy. You've already been in 2 trades. Leah says, Celine, I'm trying something new this week. I'm putting CL on the shelf. Wait, what? Trading MNQ or MGC due to amazing backtesting results I got with AI. Leah, tell us more. You're putting CL on the shelf? Like, I never thought this day would come. Been long on MNQ from 888. Well, this is very exciting, Leia. I'm excited for you to be an NQ girl with the rest of us. Well, welcome to the dark side. I'm glad finally we can talk price action and we can talk charts, because before this I could not speak to you about CL at all, as you know. But now at least we can talk about how toxic NQ is. Jimmy says, yes, I've been at the chart since today's open, lol. Oh, well, it's one of those Mondays, Jimmy. I know. Good morning, Constantine. Stretch says, hello, seeing long, but watching closely for pullback. Amazing, nice. Central Checo says, about to take some shorts. All right, for me, this is a little early to be shorting. I want to see like bullish price action, like market structure fail. I don't want to see like keep closing above highs, because this just looks like continuation right now. Like another market structure shift. We had consolidation, then a clean market structure shift here. We pulled back, market structure shift. And again, now we have a potential for, in the next 5 minutes, a bullish fair value gap to open up here. And that could also be a nice area of price to short into as a target. So let's see. I'd want to see this fail though. If I want to take shorts, it would be much cleaner if we get a 15-minute fair value gap, like get completely inverted up. Feels so much better. Good morning, Angia. Hot coffee with you says, good morning, Celine. Did you grab your coffee today? You best believe, yes, the coffee is on hand. Yeah, actually, I need to take a sip of that. Okay, we're good. Don't mind the froth that just got on my lip. But we're good, getting that caffeine in. Leah says, I'm targeting Wednesday's daily high at 30,071.25, but I'm trailing every 1R till then. I love it. Leah said, I also took off 1R like you do, stop loss at break even. Now I trail at every 1R. I love it, Leah. It sounds like you've got a plan, you got structure, and you did the work back testing, which I love that, because I'm a big advocate for, at least I know back testing can't really prove like how in the long run your trading is going to perform, but it can tell you and give you an idea of what it could potentially look like. Like, it's never absolute. Those results are never absolute, but backtesting is a great tool to at least see over the span of a few years what this could potentially look at if you took every single A+ setup like a robot. And it's still, it's not exact. Like, your live trading results are never going to be exactly a replica unless you're building some algorithm and it trades like a bot, like I said. But the way we are as humans, we're never really going to be able to replicate those results as exactly as our backtesting ones. But like I said, I backtested 3 years in 30 seconds. Sick fast. Backtesting took me 1 month before to do a year. Okay, Leah, 3 years and 30 seconds. What are you using to backtest? Let me know. That's some quick stuff there. And Chanton, don't you think there are a lot of stop losses above last week's high? If we're talking about last week's high, if everyone's talking about Wednesday's high being the area, that Wednesday New York high, yes, this is where I definitely think this aligned with that 30,094, like around this level. These are all relatively equal highs. If I drop, so that Wednesday high, we got up to just over 30,000, didn't quite grab that high. We tried then again Wednesday the 15th of July, and then we tried again Friday the 10th of July. So 3 times we've come up here, failed to take out this high, and then dropped. So today I'm hoping is the day we go out to break that level, and then I would expect a strong bullish run from there once we break through. Skills from Ben says, where is Nick? Nick will be here on the hour. So he will arrive at 8 a.m. UK. I had to think about that. What time is it UK? 8 a.m. UK, Nick will be here, the normal time. So get ready. I'm so happy for him to be taking back ownership of the giveaways and the wheel, because, guys, on Friday, if you guys weren't here, we gave away two max sellers. 2 max sellers on one stream. Okay, that was a lot of stress for me. And yes, I didn't lose my job. I'm here today. So yeah, thank you for your concerns, guys. And not one of you asked, but on Friday I gave away 2 max allos. So yes, I'm giving all that responsibility back to Nick so that my job is not on the line again. But seriously, what were the chances of that happening on Friday? I think we worked it out. It's like a 3% chance. And it hit twice. Oh, Leia hit herself. We're all asking what she's using to backtest. Well, you can. It depends on like what subscription you have on TradingView, but you can absolutely like backtest an instant on TradingView. It just depends what level, like how many bars you can go back depending on your subscription level. But yeah, TradingView is a great one as well. Jonathan McKee. Jonathan, your name has changed again. You're no longer Pizza Johnny, but good morning. What happened? Sylvan, what are your Asian time? My Asia session times I just have highlighted here is from the 8 p.m. to midnight Eastern time. That is the Asia kill zone. So that's a concept from ICT. And that is why only that area of the Asia session is highlighted for me. That's all I take note of. So when I say Asia high has been swept, that's that high made between 8 and midnight. Leigh says, download chart and historical data from NinjaTrader. Use Claude to build a strategy prompt in Python, and then Terminal will extract all the data. I then use AI to summarize everything again. Girl, Leia, you're a Python? You can code in Python now? What is happening? I'm learning so much this morning. I had no idea you knew how to code in Python. That is a handy skill. Grey Wanderer wins comment of the day. Where can I find the indicators you use? All right, Grey Wanderer, since you've asked, this is for the lot of you as well. Let this be the one time we go over this in the stream today. Two indicators. One is sessions and key levels. That one will print is the one that's got my Asia time zone there, my Asia kill zone, sorry, my Asia high and low, my current days open, and any of my previous day levels or previous week, whatever I want to have there is also all from this indicator. Those are those lines. And then the previous 4 hour low, previous 15-minute high. Those levels are from this indicator, which just prints the way I like to trade, the way I want to visualize my setup. So it looks at the 2 time frame alignments, and then it tracks the IFVGs. And yeah, there's some filters in there that I use for my trading. And that's it. Leah says, I can't code shit. Everything is AI. I just tell it what to do. Leah said, I mean, I studied HTML and I know some PineScript, but I'm using AI to my advantage. Yeah, but I mean, it's still hard to know how to prompt Claude. Like, I think that's also a skill in itself. Knowing how to speak to Claude to then interpret what you're saying and then build the code right. I mean, I would be shocked if it got it right the first time. But I mean, that's amazing. If you were able to code your strategy in Python using Claude and then get it to actually simulate the back test and it was legit, that's exciting stuff. I appreciate that. I respect that. Bangs, he says short 30K or running over today. I do expect us we're very close to 30,000. So I do expect us to run through it, to be honest, and then get to those equal highs sitting at 30,094. That's a level I'm going to keep talking about until we hit it. I've been talking about that since last week. That's a level I'm definitely watching. Like these, they're not equal highs, but they're way too smooth. These highs here, 1, 2, 3 in a row, which failed to take out this high back from early on in July. It's way too sus for me. Like I would rather see those levels taken and then we have a drop off there. Cynthia, morning Celine. I blew my Tradeify first account. No, Cynthia. I'm now just watching just to support because we love spending our morning with you as I try to get myself to understand ICT concepts better. Cynthia, damn. I mean, 100%, I appreciate your transparency, your honesty in saying that you blew your account because not a lot of people can do that. So respect to you. But secondly, I appreciate you also just being here to support and show up and show love. And let me know if you have any questions. ICT concepts can be a little tricky to understand and hopefully I can make it clear for you guys. But yeah, 100%. If you ever have questions, Cynthia, drop them in the chat. I'll be happy to answer. But yeah, don't let it get you down. You can always reload, get that next eval, start it all over again. Happens to the best of us. Hey Celine, Solo Nodolo. Hey Celine, if you have a 50K select account, how would you structure it? Okay, that's pretty vague. What do you mean by structure? Let me know, Solo Nodolo. I can see you've asked it twice now. What do you mean by structure? If I had a 50K select account, how would you structure it? Do you mean like risk management? How would I risk using that account? Just let me know what your question is. Lizard Trade says, just go and watch the beginning of 2022 course. Won't learn well from someone else than yourself. Interesting. Yeah. Well, I guess by watching the 2022 mentorship, you are learning from someone else. But if you can get through all the 2022 mentorship and all the rants that ICT goes through in some of those lectures, then go and do it. I highly suggest. That's where I learned. I definitely learned from someone. J-Dub, hey Celine, I tilted so hard. Hold on, I'm watching this 1 minute flip. Okay. Well, that is the kind of displacement I want to see after having swept a previous 50-minute high. So it's going a little too far for me. Oh no, stops aren't that wide. All right, I will try this if we invert the next 2 seconds. Okay. I'm short from here based on the inversion and the previous 50-minute high sweep. We're above Asia high here. Previous day high sweep, previous 4-hour high sweep. everything considered, and a nice displacement inversion for value gap. So I'm willing to risk on that setup. As you can see, it's a much stronger inversion with displacement candle than the other candles here, because not only did we invert in this candle, we also market structure shifted to the downside because we closed below a swing point here. So I much prefer being in that setup than any of these prior. And I'll just say where the TPs would be. So first TP is just going to be off just before that low, 29,907.75. 907. All right, about there. Oh, sorry, we're not buying 6 there, we're buying 3. All right, that's that. And then really where I want to see this drop is I will have full TP off at 4-hour low, 847.50. Oh my gosh, where is this? 847, find it. Okay, there, around there. All right, I'm in this trade. Celine, there's an ICT 2022 mentorship with Atharan. It's there on YouTube. Really? I mean, where was that when I was learning ICT concepts? Carlos took a short scalp on gold. Nice. Rebel N says, nice prediction from 4-hour CB on ES as extra confluence. Oh, ES has a 4-hour CB? What are we talking about? Let's have a look. I haven't even looked at ES this morning, but no, we're actually not inside of a 4-hour CB on ES. But that's cool. I'm not using that as any confluence right now. I just like that this is the 4-hour candle that we're shorting. And so we have a nice top wick now on the 4-hour and a little down bottom wick. And we also have Asia low, like I said, those targets still intact. And if you look at the 4-hour candle, like we're due for the 4-hour chart, we are due for a pullback. After this strong bullish move higher, we are due for some sort of pullback. And so I'm fading these highs right now. Previous 4-hour high, Asia high, previous day high. I want to see it drop a bit back into the range here. Kai 1900s. Hey Celine, I'm learning about your model. It's clean and easy to follow. If I trade NY session, do I turn on London high low? If I trade Asia session, do I turn on NY PM high low? Yes, so I don't trade in Asia session at all. So don't use that kind of like, I mean, it can potentially work, but I'm not going to be an advocate and say, yes, use NYPM for when you're trading with Asia. But definitely if you're trading in New York, yes, refer to London session. There's the session before NY. So of course, London to answer your question, but yeah, if that makes sense. Omar says, we are right now in an hourly CB. We're not. Guys, what are you guys seeing? Is this different on MNQ to NQ? In an hourly CB right now? No, we're not. Chad, I don't know where you're getting these CBs from. Does everyone remember what a CB is? Unmitigated 50-minute FVG. Yeah, potentially. We're right now inside that 50-minute gap. I was saying, I hope this inverts. This is the one I want to see inverted. Would make me feel much better about shorting, about these shorts getting even lower. But right now we're just inside that 50-minute gap. So if this is going to hold, I don't prefer it. It's fine. It can. It's already I like this reaction off the 15-minute high anyway. So I'm holding this. But it would be even better if we can invert this 15-minute gap. That's what I'm right now going to watch. Boyle says, you reckon we run through this 15-minute FEG, Celine? Oh, I hope. I hope. What size accounts are you trading, Celine? It's a mix, 150Ks and 50Ks. Rowan, Celine, how do you decide your TP? Is it strictly 1-to-1 for half of your position? How do you decide your TP on the runners? Okay, so 1-to-1 is always strict. It is always, the first TP is very strict there, 1-to-1 taking a partial profit. And then the rest of the position is off at a structured low. So like, for example, I'm in a short. So I'm looking for like structure in the market where I think like significant lows are where we could take out as a full target. And so for me, it's usually when I'm in the session, it's usually that previous 4-hour low target or an Asia low. So like a significant swing low here down in Asia low. That is like full target. But for that first TP, it's always just to take off 1-to-1 and lock in some profits and then hold the rest. So yeah. The full target changes from session to session, from day to day. It's not always like a huge, what's this now? Like some days I will say, you know what, I'm going to go for that full Asia low target, but it is Monday and we don't always get the big moves start of the week. So for example, why am I putting my entry? It was not there. This is like, where are we? Oh my gosh. So it's like 88 points. That full target is 88 points. But you know what? If we keep crashing and we're like dropping heavy here, I will probably drag out that final TP to Asia low. But I will adjust that, and depends on what I'm seeing in the markets as we drop lower. But we're close to first TP, and 907 is that first TP. Let's see if we can get the W here. Waiting. Push through the 15-minute FVG. Yes, we did. We're gonna hopefully we got 2 more minutes left. We got to hold. That's this gray box, for anyone wondering. It's this gray box here. We got to close below this 15-minute FVG. Sammy says, bruh, sniper entry. Yeah, well, the reason I'm in this trade is because we had that strong displacement. That inversion is a very clean one. And not only did we, there we go, TP1 smashed, chat, TP1 smashed. So W's to you if you took that. W's in the chat. I don't have my money gun these days. What is going on? I have no money gun, but that is TP1. So we're taking a partial out there. Nice. The rest of this is now going risk-free. So whatever happens here, we've locked in some money on the day. We're going break even on the rest, and we're going to let this ride. And like I said, right now I have full target off at previous 4-hour low, but that can change. If I see price dropping heavy, and I'm going to use my discretion at that point and say, okay, well, we can definitely have a lower target here on the day. So right now it's sitting at previous 4-hour low, but don't be surprised if that changes potentially. W Monday. Let's go, W Monday. Love starting the week off with a green. Isn't that like the nicest way to start the week? On a good note. The best days of the week, I swear, to take a win is on a Monday and a Friday. Whatever happens during the week, whatever. But as long as you start and end your week on a green, everything else, who cares? Carl says, aren't you driving a Lamborghini? Why can't you afford a money gun? Yeah, look, about that. Jurgel Meister says, nice trade Monday morning, first hour. Yeah, we're literally not even in the London session yet, and we've already hit a clean trade. So we'll see. Maybe it's just going to be a chill London session for me today. You're not going to see me. If this goes to full target, I'm not going to be putting on much more risk on this on trading today in the session. So it could just be a chill London session for the rest of us, whoever has taken this trade. We'll see if we get to full target. Boyle says, ES also invest the 15-minute FVG. You're the real MVP, Celine. You guys are funny. I like I said, when we were in that 15-minute gap, it was going to go 2 ways. It was either going to invert and help with this trade, or if it was going to reject, it's going to be another problem. So it was 50-50 at that point. But we had a nice 15-minute FVG close there. So just to show you guys what it looks like now, we now have a 15-minute inversion. And we timed that short perfectly because we had that sweep, previous 15-minute high sweep. We are also, as you can see, what the 4-hour is looking like now, previous 4-hour high sweep. So all these levels are aligning. Where is my tool here? Demonstration. So all these levels aligning, and then all I had to do was just time that on the 1 minute with an area of price that looked like there was momentum, and that was for me the inversion. But along with the inversion there, like, why not this inversion? Why not this inversion? Because this inversion was a displacement candle. So it was a clean displacement with a market structure shift. So if I show you guys even clearer there is a market structure shift. So we closed below a swing point there. So that's just another reason why that was stronger. This is, wait, why is MGC price different than gold futures chart? Is it so different, Leo? I haven't looked at gold. Let's look at gold. Well, this trade is hovering around. Gold. Okay, so gold is trading it right now above my Asia high. I still haven't taken out anything. It's currently an inside 4-hour candle. Oh, there's a bit of consolidation here. That doesn't look nice. But yeah, until we get a sweep of anything, it looks like it should continue higher into these highs here. But I'm not the gold expert, you know, Claudia is. We don't have it today. So I'm not too convinced. I'm not sure with gold. But let's see what NQ has in store for us. Ababa Kumba. He said it was just a juicy IFVG candle, no need for London session. Sweet. Yeah, there's a potential for, if this full TP hits, for it to be just a chill London session. But potentially I'm going to be stop break even and then have to look for another trade. So we'll see. Celine, what's the second target? Oh, I thought you were going to say the like target, because I do have to talk about likes. We haven't talked about likes yet, and it's getting closer to that hour. So the second target here is 29,848.50. That's the second target for my shorts. But let me tell you about the likes, because that's more important. The likes is how we get to the giveaways, and of course we want giveaways. So I'm going to say right now we're sitting at 291 likes on the stream. Well, I'm going to say 580 likes for the first giveaway. 580 likes, and we're going to bring Nick on no matter what. You know what? No more like goals for Nick, because we need to bring him on. So 580 is for the first giveaway. Make sure you guys smash the like button. There is 1,200 of you here. And by the way, on Friday, we smashed a viewer record. 1,900 of you before we got botted. Yes, sadly, we got botted on Friday's stream. But before that, there was 1,900 of you. So hopefully we can smash new records here today. That would be fun. Boyle says, Madam, do we scale in, re-enter 15-minute IFG though? Ha. I mean, you could, if that's your kind of setup, scaling into when you see a 15-minute IFG, but that's not for me. I want to see a max allocation. Rebel Ends, we gave away 2 max allos on Friday. I doubt we're going to have another max allocation today. By the way, chat, how is the stream quality right now, Roman? Are we getting any lag? Because I know I'm using the same. Yeah, it is throttling. Okay. Trying to think, like, what has changed with Starlink? I don't understand why this is happening. Roman, do you think I should switch the VPN on? Would that fix it? Oh, the satellite settings. Okay, hold on. I have that. Could it be because we had some bad weather as well? It could have like done something to the satellite. Okay. Well, maybe when Nick comes, I can jump off and just realign. Oh, it says the Starlink is aligned. I'm just on the app now to check. Oh, well, maybe I can do that when Nick comes. I will check my Starlink connection and do a speed test and see what it's doing. Because, yeah, that's going to be annoying if it goes like that the whole... So the voice is good, but the video is laggy. Okay. Well, that will hopefully... You guys will just have to deal with it for a little bit longer. And then when Nick comes, I will go and check out my Starlink and see what's happening there. Those pesky satellites. I know. This is the problem when your internet is coming from space. Can't just go up there and fix it. Enki says, yeah, that 15 looking like it's going to hold. Yeah, the 15-minute gap now looks like a strong indication that we should be heading lower. We have now, the current 15-minute candle has put in that top wick, and hopefully we're just going to keep dropping lower. We do have a little bit of stacked consolidation here from during an Asia session. So maybe we head down to take out these lows and then might have a bit of a pullback, and then hopefully we go on to take out this swing low, previous forever low. We will see. Not going to put expectations on the market. I have my stop at break even, so I'm literally right now risk-free, and whatever happens in this trade now is another story. I'm not going to put expectations on the market. Nothing. Phone says, hi Celine, how do you trust the 1 minute IFG without 15-minute confirmation closed? Can you explain it, please? Sure, back testing. The only reason I take that 1 minute IFG there, it doesn't work each and every time. You know, you have to use your own discretion to pick when those moments in the market are that you think we're going to have some sort of reversal from. But I use a 1 minute inversion because I'm just looking for a short move, like a quick move as well. A 15-minute inversion or a 5-minute inversion, of course, could also be a clean, what am I trying to say? Indication that there is bearish strength. But the thing is, waiting for those full 15 minutes, I could already be out of the trade. So that's the reason I'm happy to take like that quick impulse, the 1 minute inversion, and then be out hopefully in the next 15 minutes. And then that candle closes and I'm out of the trade, technically. But yeah, honestly, each their own. You can also get like, obviously waiting for the 15-minute FVG here, you're getting a lower entry. Your stop would be where? At the highs, you'd be adding another 28 points to that entry. And so you're looking at like a 60-point stop. And for all those things considered, I'm taking that first bearish move. The first one I catch on the 1 minute. Then my entry is higher. My stop isn't as wide. And yeah, I can be in and out. Take my full TP quicker. Morning, Celine. I like your split ponytail. It's not a split ponytail. It's a ponytail, but it's bothering me today. When my hair bothers me, Chad, just so you know, it goes up. I tie it back. Don't want to look at it. A lot of acronyms on the Tradeify stream, huh? What? Alexandros. What does that even mean? Robert, no. Don't even try. More likes, more likes, more likes. Yes, Rebel, more likes. 580 to be exact. Where's the treadmill dude? The treadmill dude will be here very soon in the next 20 minutes, so make sure you guys are ready for that. We got the Nictator back. I also have to remember to have his intro ready later. Uh, 1998 says, guys, I will let you know that the volumes are under, and you know when volumes are underneath, it's not bearish. Okay, well, I just took a W on a short. I never said bearish for the full day either. Celine, you forgot 10 push-ups. Ah, I did. But I'll be happy to do 10 push-ups when Nick comes. Guys, you'll never guess what happened to me this morning, though. I woke up like in screaming pain. Are you gonna say I'm complaining again? But this was like legitimate pain. I think I might, if I turn into Spider-Woman later, you know why. I woke up with the biggest spider bite on my back, and it was like like it had like I don't know, I've never had a bee sting, or I don't even know if it was a spider or a bee, to be honest, but I've never had a bee sting. And how would a bee get in my house? Not sure. But I swear it was the biggest thing. I wish I took a photo. It was inflamed. Like my skin was like raised, like a big circle on my back. And I was like, okay, is this the moment? Is this the moment I turn into Spider-Man, Spider-Woman? Like, I'm ready. I'm inspired because I just watched the movie. But it also burned. It burned so badly. So, I mean, I'll still do push-ups today, but just so you know, I'm dealing with that. Like, my back is still in pain from that sting or bite. I have no idea. But I'm not complaining. I will do push-ups. Can you use spider sense to trade better? The Greek spider. You know if it was a bee instantly? Yeah, well, yeah. I've never been stung by a bee ever. It's one of my worst fears. Thank God you're alive. I know, right? I survived. I survived. It sounds like a spider, you reckon? I don't know. It felt like instantly it was burning. This guy, SRMR, says, coming from Australia, you'd be used to spider bites from a fellow Kiwi. Well, that's true, but I managed to somehow dodge a lot of spider bites in Australia, like living there. I don't know. But this one, I've never felt this kind of, it was a burning sensation, burning pain. Someone tell me, whoever's out there who knows about bites, animals, whatever. It was a burning pain. It's still burning. I had to put ice on it. It was so inflamed and large. Like I thought I was having an allergic reaction, like when the skin is raised. And then as well as that, it was red. It wasn't itchy. So it wasn't like a mosquito bite. It wasn't itchy. And yeah, that's what I'm dealing with, chat. So I forgot to mention that this morning. I'm in excruciating pain. I almost couldn't lift my arm. Like it was fully because it's close to my shoulder blade, like high up on my back. Everyone's going to say I'm just like being a wuss, but I swear I'm in a lot of pain. Rebel says no bee sting ever for me either. Been running from them since I was a boy. I've been running from them too, but for some reason I've got this bite and I feel like it's the bees coming for me. Or like a wasp, something. Celine used peppermint essential oil. Okay, is that meant to help? I don't know if I've got that. I can go buy some. Celine, do you have a runner? Okay, back to trading. Yes, we'll leave the spider bite. Celine, do you have a runner on this trade? Yes, you can see I've got 3 contracts on that are left for the full TP here. Selena, are you trying to get out of the push-ups? Cam Jam, no, I'm not getting out of push-ups. I'm just explaining, like, if I am a little weaker on the push-ups today, that's why. I'm still going to do them. I'm not complaining. I'll do the freaking push-ups, but just so you know, I'm dealing with a whole bite on my back here. Sounds like a spider, not a bee. Okay, great. That makes me terrified. I've been bitten by a spider overnight or something. You've gone to Australia and survived. Australia's not that dangerous. Sounds like an allergic reaction indeed. Andrea, do you really think? Manton Celine, hope you feel better. Thanks for being on the stream. How did you choose your first TP? If it was to the tick, very nice. First TP was a 1-to-1. Yeah, that's right, actually. It actually did drop right to that TP1 and then has had a bounce and like consolidating pretty much since that first TP. So yeah, that was a bit of luck, but that was just 1-to-1. Nick says today. What did I say, Nick? What did I say I was going to do today? I'm doing the push-ups today. Here we go. Good morning, Nick. You didn't have to be here for another 15 minutes. He's already giving me issues, chat. Leia says, could be a bed bite. No. I don't have bed bites. Bed bugs. Ugh, no, Leia. No, my ass. I'm way too much of a clean freak to have that. He said I'm a bit weak on the push-ups today. Shut it, Nick. Shut it. Good morning. Good morning to you. We're not going to talk about last week. You weren't here last week, Nick, and I was here and you weren't. So we're not going to talk about last week and my push-ups. Finished. Final. Done. Today we can talk about push-ups. Les says, how do you know they're microscopic? Because the mattress is maybe 3 weeks old. Everything's brand new in my house now. Everything's brand new mattress, brand new sheets, brand new bed, brand new everything. Everything is clean, washed regularly every week. My sheets done. I'm too much of a clean freak to live with bed bugs. Jason says, I'm trying to split my TP levels 50-50, but it doesn't appear to allow on TradingView eval account. Is this correct or am I doing it wrong? Your TP levels 50-50? I don't exactly know what you mean by that, but say you're in 10 contracts and you want to take off 5 and then another 5. You can, because obviously you can split 10 like that evenly. So you just put on, say you're in the short, you put on a buy limit in TradingView. If you're trading on this account in TradingView, you just put a buy limit for 5 and then another buy limit down here for 5. So you just right click and then adjust it in the corner here to 5. And that should be fine. As long as you have 10 contracts. It depends what is your total contracts. Maybe you can't evenly split the number. Celine, are you worried it will hit your BE then keep dropping? Not worried, just understanding that it is a potential and I am aware of that. There is no worry in that though, because I've taken money off this trade. So if that's the worst, fine. I've taken a win. I've taken money out of the markets today. That's more than I could ask for. I don't want to lose, I want to win. So yeah, potentially I could be getting stop break even, then it could keep dropping, but I will just wait for another setup if that happens, because I can, in the way I trade, get multiple entries in the session. And it's still that same, like right now we're printing, this is the previous 50-minute high. So potential for us to sweep up higher and then drop off that level. So I'm watching, but I have these risk parameters in place. Like I have a break even in place just so that I'm not taking the loss. And too many times I was seeing in my trading and looking back that I was taking the TP1 and then taking, like not going break even and then taking a loss on the rest of the contracts. Like it just wasn't helping, wasn't doing anything. So now I just cover. Adam, hi Celine, what is your Asia range? My Asia range is a little different. My Asia range looks at the 8 p.m. to midnight area of price. So where did we go between these hours? And my Asia high and low is based off that. So 8 p.m. to midnight Eastern time. Just so that's clear. So a little different to most, but it's the ICT Asia kill zone is what I use. Celine, when is a good time to start sizing up on your trades? Size up when you're in an A+ kind of setup, and in the way I trade, definitely an A+ setup is when we're reaching into a high time frame, like a 4-hour FVG, and we're respecting and holding that gap. And then we have the 4-hour high sweep, the 50-minute high sweep, and an Asia high sweep. All these levels swept. That is a clean A+ setup, and that's something I would size up in, and something that I would, risk heavier on. So given all that, those are the kinds of setups I want to be sizing up on. Market is waiting for Nick to join before we drop more. Looks like it. We're really consolidating here. And yes, I did take TP right, like at that low, funnily enough. It was right to the tick. Just for fun, it says, I feel like the risk of you blowing up accounts is very low, Celine. Could you talk about it? I have talked about this. It is true. I sit on accounts with I keep into account my drawdown a lot of the time. with prop firms. Like the drawdown is something really important. That is something that you don't want to be blowing. And I, for one, like risk based on that. So that's why I can not allow myself to blow an account so easily. Like I would have to take 10 losses in a row to blow an account. So as you can imagine, I don't think ever, it's very rare for someone to take 10 losses in a row. I mean, still a probable thing, still like could happen, but 10 losses in a row is pretty extreme. So yeah, I'm always risking 10. And at that point, and by doing that, 10% of the drawdown, I'm protecting my capital and protecting my account. So that's why, yeah, it is harder for someone like a trader like me to blow the account. Help, I can't take partials because I'm in with max contracts. Sissy push trading. What do you mean you can't take partials? What is with everyone and not knowing how to take partials? I'm not sure. You're gonna have to explain what are you exactly having problems with? Enzel, Celine, how do you split the stop loss and TP? When I try to do that through TradingView, I get error and I can only put the TP and stop loss on full position size. Guys, I am trading through Tradeify. So my orders, as you can see here, I don't go. The other way to trade in TradingView is to do the whole create limit order thing. I'm not going to do it now because I'm actually on my live, I'm on my like real accounts here, but I wonder if I can just open a, can I just do it on like gold or something? Add order. Is this gonna, okay, yeah. The other way, like I think how most of you trade on TradingView is like this. And you guys, and you put in your limits and then you put your TPs and all this, etc., etc. I'm really scared. I don't want to put a position on here. But I don't trade like that. So the way you see my orders come up in TradingView is because I'm actually putting them on in Tradeify, the broker, and they're being displayed on TradingView. So when I put my orders on, it's a market sell order, and then you'll see me go on to put a buy stop on and a sell and a buy limit, sorry. My buy limits are in place after that, and then my stop loss I put separately as well. So I do all of that, all the orders and entering and executions in Tradeify. And I think that's much easier than you guys, because a lot of you struggle with TradingView. I would just trade through the broker. Trade through NinjaTrader, Tradeify, or Tradesy. Jimmy says if you've used bracket orders, you'll need to close the TP and stop loss and then add them manually. Yes, and if you're using bracket orders, that's a whole nother different thing. I don't use bracket orders. Why so laggy stream? I don't know, Ryan. We're working it out. In 5 minutes time, Nick will be here, and then I can jump off and check out my Starlink and everything that's going on, because I don't know, maybe my satellite's moved or something. I don't know. I am dealing with Starlink. How many contracts you enter and how many you take out at 11? Oh, at TP1. I think your question is NQ Trader. I entered with 6 and I took out 3 at TP1, and I have 3 left to run. For entertainment purpose, do you think right now is a good short entry? For entertainment purposes, yes, you could short anywhere and it'd be entertaining. But for proper trading and what do I really think? No, I would be waiting for another sweep and reaction off that high for me to re-enter. And right now I'm just checking ES to see if we did. Okay, so there is a bit of a SMT here with ES. So as you can see, it's a bit clearer on the high time frame. But ES did sweep its previous 15-minute high here to tap into this bearish gap, and NQ didn't. And NQ doesn't even have that much of a FVG that it created in that bearish drop either. Like ES clearly has a big gap here, and NQ doesn't. So there is SMT between the highs there, previous 15-minute high sweep on ES and not on NQ. So that's another reason why price could be dropping from here as well. I trade on TradingView, but sometimes I feel there's a slight lag on there, which pisses me off. Dude, trade through Tradeify. I honestly swear by it. Tradeify is the best. TradingView does lag a bit. Yeah, well, guys, Nick and I have been saying all the time. I mean, Nick uses TradeC. I'm on Tradeify. Trade it through these guys. I'm telling you. Slink, can you explain what that indicates? I watched some videos about SMT, but it's not clicking. All right, all it indicates is that there is an SMT divergence between two correlated assets. So all it indicates is that where one has been stronger and taken out its high, the previous 15-minute high here, for example, and one has been weaker, there is obviously a difference in that. Maybe there is more to it as to why that happens, but all I can read is that when one has taken the high and one hasn't, as you can see here, this clearly indicates that there is bearish strength on this side of the market, and as you can see on ES, it is the opposite. So you'd be more inclined to short in NQ here, and yeah. That is a very basic way to show SMT divergence. In fact, it's not even holding. This ES keeps actually breaking this high. So maybe NQ is going to come back and break its high. Not sure, but we're only a few minutes away from London Open. So I do expect a bit of manipulation there come into the open. And then we'll see from there where price wants to go. But as you can see, I still have my full TP sitting there, 29,848. Did you experience a live account? I'm not on a live account, no. Are there other opportunities to enter another short? Profess Clever. Yes, there could absolutely be another opportunity to enter short. The way I like to trade is just to keep watching now that we have swept out the previous 4-hour high and now the 4-hour looks like this. I'm now looking for any opportunity where I can align that on the 50-minute time frame with a sweep and then a 1-minute inversion and then a sweep and then that same reaction all the way down. Until we get into like full, where I would stop looking would be Asia low. Leia says Tradeify is gross. No way, Tradeify is the best. Tradeify bugs on white screen sometimes, so I use Ninja. I mean, between Ninja, Tradeify, love them both. It's, yeah, I would highly suggest you guys who are trading in TradingView that are experiencing those lag problems, definitely get onto Tradeify or Ninja Trader. Arasta, man, again, almost 3 a.m. We're about to hit the giveaway, lol. This happens every time on the hour. We smash the likes because you guys just, I think they do it on purpose now. I think you guys are doing this on purpose to us. All right, so I said 580 likes. We're currently at 539 likes. So yes, we're 40 away from that first giveaway target. We're 1,500 of us, so easily done. Another 40 of you is all we need to smash the first giveaway target. And in saying that, there is somebody that wants to come on stream with me today. He wears a white t-shirt and he's known as hold on, I need to get this ready. Let me introduce you to the YT wearing, head of a moving, GP trading, bio hacking, me too catching, stake with catcher abusing, sample trolling, intro creating, KFC hitting, 5 guys loving, paddle playing, tennis playing, squash playing, water guzzling, chat banning, skydiving, shark swimming, parkour, champion, time ring, sushi, loving, switch battle, winning, super, stop walking, acting king. Definitely not CPI, full porting, no pro marathon, running, dictated, DMC strategy, inventing, Mario Kart, thrice simulated, 91 no stop loss, winner, and once waited, Deshaun, the lowly, no sleep trader, the World Cup bet king, the one and only Nicola. Welcome.
Good morning. How we doing? How we doing? Morning, Celine. Morning, Roman. Morning, chat. Hope you're all doing well, and you're ready to put some ones in the chat because let's give it up for Celine. Okay, let's put a 1 in the chat because she crushed it last week on her own. Well, with some guests too, but yeah, thanks for holding it down. I'm back. I'm ready.
Oh yeah, that's I woke up. My shoulders were so heavy. I was just carrying the boats all week.
Oh, that's why I couldn't do push-ups. Was that why?
Wait, you're muted. What the hell?
And she's gone.
Roman, is he muted for you?
She disappeared. She simply disappeared.
What?
And she's back.
You can't see me?
We can see you now.
What? Nick, I could see you. That was so weird, but I couldn't hear you. All right, you know what? You carry the stream for a bit. I'm going to go check out my Starlink because I don't know what the hell is going on. I'll be back. I'll be back in 5 minutes. You carry us.
See you, bye.
Okay, bye.
All right, that was a quick reunion, chat. Now she's gone again.
Hi, welcome back. We missed you. I gotta go.
All right, let's see. Leia, also congrats on your blue mod roll. Panya trade mill, Nick? Yes, sir. Of course. That's how it works. Yeah, Marco McMario, I wasn't muted. She just had an internet problem. That's how it was. All right, let's see. Chat, how's it going? Who's in a trade? Who made money last week? Give me updates. What's been happening? Let's hear it all. Curious, why aren't you long yet, Nick? Because the market is really high. If I look left, there's nothing, and I don't like that. So I would want some sort of a pullback, at least, like in this scenario where we're in right now. Ideally, we'll get a pullback down to like 818 to 801 and a half ish. So look, treadmill wants to explode. 1 second, I'll mark it out so you see it. Basically here ish. Okay, these are not exact, this is just a zone that I'm looking at. This would be an ideal buy for me. I can even type it in. Can I? I'll call it the buy zone. This would be interesting to me. And everything else, not really. So we'll see. We will see. All right, let's see. Leia says, I'm in a long on gold, Nick. My first ever. Hey, look at you. Look at you switching from oil to gold. Love that. You did, you did some back testing, or a lot of back testing. I saw. Klaus, are you doing cardio? I mean, not really. If you like, walking technically is cardio, but not at this pace. Jimmy Trades, green the last 5 weeks. Hell yeah, man. Nice. Just for fun, real one says time to short, Nick. I don't like shorting. Manton says, I passed both of my 50k growth giveaway accounts, one on Friday and one just now, plus 200 on fund today. Let's fucking go, man. Congrats. Good work. Marco McMario, 6.5k on personal, 4.5k on funded last week was good for me. Also passed a few evals. Nice. Very good. Sisyphus, maybe you can tell me any way to take partials when I'm in with max contract size for the account, 10 micros on 25k funded. All orders are being rejected. Did you press, like, if you're in a long, did you press one sell market? I mean, that's how you take a partial. You probably can't set a limit order on the screen unless you sell one. Barry Heinecker want to give away more than a month ago, but never got it. Is there still hope for it or not? What the fuck? How did it take so long? Wait, let me check something really quick. Okay, I see you have an email address in your YouTube channel description. Now the question is, I'm screenshotting your comment right now. The question is, do you have a Tradeify login? Do you have like a user account with this email? Yes or no? Let me know really quick. Amir, how was my vacation? It was good. It was good. Raveen, no, I have not used deep charts. Let's see. Good morning, Nick, and welcome back from your holiday. Idris, thank you. Thank you. Mo, Nicky boy, good to have you back. And yes, I know how much you hate being called Nicky. Nah, Mo, you can call me Nicky boy. That's fine. That is fine. Let's see. Yes, I have a Tradeify account with the same email ID. Okay, Barry, then I don't know what the problem is. But I did forward your message to the giveaway team. So I hope they take care of it fast, because you've been waiting way too long. That's for sure. That is for sure. All right, let's see. What else we got? How was my time off, Roy? It was good. It was good. Spent some time with family. I mean, I still traded. Not as much as usual, but I still traded. But it was good. George, nigga, won 25k select account about 30 days ago, and until yet I have not received my account. Ah, God. Taking a screenshot of that too. We're actually currently updating our giveaway system so that we don't have that issue anymore. Because yeah, that's obviously annoying. But make sure that you have an account at Tradeify, like a login with this email. Otherwise, it won't work. Okay. Torvik says, Nick, is it possible to get a refund on my 25k growth account, which I failed? No. If you failed it, why would you get a refund? It's not how this works. Chocolameister, we had this discussion every day last week. I got it in 2 days and others too. So maybe you didn't add your email to YouTube, or many having multiple emails trying to grab free accounts. Yeah, there could be multiple reasons for that. Rohan says, missed you, Nick. Hey, thank you. Appreciate you. Chermar, Nick, I got the account I won recently, but still didn't get the one you called me gay. Annoying. Okay. I'll screenshot that too. Send it to the team. But as said, we're working on a different system. Scalp, waiting on one from 2 weeks ago. Okay, I'll put that on too. 1 second. Oh, trade mill wants to explode again. N1 trades. Nick, are you walking? Yes. Not now, but restarting. And I'm walking now again. Let's see. Hey, Market Maker Mario, all right. Get some sleep, rest up, and I'll see you later. See you later, sir. Leia says he's walking on sunshine. He's walking on sunshine. Whoa. And I got one on July 21st. It's been almost 20 days, but I still haven't received any. Ah, God, Logan. How many of those are there today? Annoying. Forwarding everything to the team. Sorry about the delay, guys. Blake as well. Okay. So today's what's today's stream? Screenshot stream? Just me taking screenshots of people saying they haven't received their giveaway accounts? Oh man. Constantine, Nick, did you enjoy the good wine in France? My friend, I do not drink. So the answer is no. I did enjoy the slushies though. Love slushies. I know, Gibran, I know that Celine didn't do a single push-up last week. You don't have to tell me, I saw it. I know it. But yeah, love to see that you're ratting her out.
Hi, I heard that.
Oh, she's back. Hello.
I heard that. Hello.
How we doing?
All right, this might be better. I did a restart. Hopefully this holds. I don't know what's happening with my lagging Wi-Fi these days. Freaking Elon, work it out. Anyway, what did I miss? How was France?
Was good. Very hot. It was 42 degrees.
No way. That's hotter than here in Greece. Wow.
Yeah,
and they don't have beach. How'd you survive that heat?
It was. I mean, we had a villa with a pool, so that's pretty easy to survive.
Oh, nice.
But yeah, no, it was good. We saw some. It was pretty cool. Like there were obviously like everywhere there are fires in France as well. So they had like those water planes, the firefighter planes, and they kind of like flew over our house right into the river to grab water. It was super cool to watch.
Oh, that would have been cool.
Yeah, sometimes like 5 in a row, like 5 of them. It was so cool.
Jeez. Wait, I had no idea there were even fires out there. I haven't seen anything on the news. Was it close to where you were?
No. Well, depends. Like 1.5 hours from where we were.
Okay. Oh,
Ish.
shit. Kind of close.
Ish.
Oh.
Lazy, where's the tan? Look, I love summer and sun because then there is shade where I can be. So I never get a big tan. Ursula, good morning. Morning.
Good morning, Ursula.
Calvin,
yes, London Gang is back.
Calvin says, holy drop, my friend. Let's look at this objectively. This candle dropped 23 points. What do you mean, holy drop?
Look at my charts, Nick. I'm so zoomed in on this.
Oh, Celine.
Roman, switch to my charts.
As soon as I'm gone, you play this again? Come on now.
Holy drop.
Come on now. Celine.
Oh, giveaway time? Oh, Nick, I'm so glad you're back. You know how hard it was to do the giveaways while you were gone? Oh my goodness. I really it makes me appreciate you even more when you're gone because I understand how hard it is to manage all that while doing the stream.
See?
So
not easy. I'll put on a long here, by the way. One MNQ.
Welcome
We're back with the longs.
TV.
We're back with the longs. All right.
Did you trade much? Were you trading much in France?
Define much.
Every day? Do you take a trade every day?
Of course. Come on. Of course. But I didn't spend as much time in front of the charts as usual.
Yeah.
That's for sure.
Well, what crazy person would while you're in France?
How was your week? Did you crush it? Did you end the green?
Yeah, the week was great. I had one loss last week. Everything else was a W, so it was a great week for price. And
damn.
I'm on a bit of a green streak at the moment.
On a bit of a green streak, okay.
I mean, don't want to jinx it, but yeah, August, towards the end of July has been good, and August has been good so far. So we'll see. We'll see where this momentum takes us.
Nice. Abu Bakarmba, green. Let's see. Okay, wait, you said it's giveaway time?
Yes, let's do it. Whenever you're ready, I'm handing that all back to you.
I'm surprised you're still here. How did you not get fired after that? Crazy double max too.
I was really hoping Vinny and Brett just happened to not be watching that stream, but I
think you got lucky. I might rat you out though. Let's see.
No, please. Because I chat that if Vinny finds out, there's a high chance I literally won't come back.
Well, that's how it goes. All right, chat. Let's see. Give you time. So all you got to do to participate is you have to like the stream, subscribe to the channel. And did you use my Google form, Celine?
Not your Google form.
You have your own?
Yeah.
Huh. Interesting. Anyways, like the stream, subscribe to the channel, and once I send you the link to the Google form, fill out that Google form. Well, because my Google form has entries from last week. Lots of entries from last week.
Oh, they would have gone in. Some people probably save your form.
Maybe. So fill out the Google form. Only do it once. If you do it more than once, you'll get disqualified. If you ask me where the form is, what the form is, what shape of form I'm in, or any sorts of questions like that, you are going to get super duper mega disqualified. And if you ask me how to join the giveaway, you're going to get hyper disqualified. So don't do that. You're going to have 40 seconds to join this giveaway. Good luck.
Good luck, everybody else.
Yep. Oh my God, holy sniper, super mega duper entry I got here on that long.
Oh shit, what the hell? Clean.
What the hell are you on saying? How they say? HE Traders Nick says, Nick seems to be in a great form. I appreciate you and I disqualify you. Christine, where's the Google form? You are disqualified. All right, 5 more seconds. Here we go. Bang, 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 bada bing, bada bong.
Here we go.
Okay. Oof. Let me. My treadmill wants to explode. Wait. What happens if I don't restart it and I'll just let it explode?
No, we don't want to see that. We really don't.
I mean, it would be great content, I guess.
True.
Let's see if it does something. Do you hear it?
That was the end of Nick.
Can you hear it?
No.
You can't hear it. Okay.
I just unplugged my charger.
It's screaming right now. It's like, ah!
No, I can't even hear that.
Wait, and now?
Nope.
Oh.
Nothing at all.
Okay, let me restart it though. It's annoying. It's annoying.
I'd rather hear that than drillers, but I don't want to jinx anything because they're quiet today. Also, give me a sec. My charger just unplugged. I just have to plug this back in.
Adil, of course I remember. That was Mo. Mo said, my one micro Fisher Price trades.
Yeah.
Of course I remember Mo. Always, always, always. By the way, in regards to steps, Celine, I found something that could motivate you to get even fitter.
Tell me.
So there's an app where there are certain challenges. For example, 15 days, you want to hit 10,000 steps every single day. Now, there's like a competition, 10,000 steps for 15 days. You pay money to enter the competition. So you pay, for example, I just joined one for $25, right? So you pay $25 or $50 or $100, however much the competition is. And then everybody who completes it amongst these people, that money gets distributed. So you literally make money by just completing steps challenges. And for me, I mean, that's literally the infinite money glitch, because I have my 15,000 steps a day, and these challenges usually don't exceed 12,000 steps, right? So it's literally just join them, get free money. Join them, get free money. Join it. It's awesome.
You glitched it. That is an ultimate money glitch for you because you're non-stop.
Actually.
Damn. All right, tell me, what is it? Is this an app?
It's called Steppa. STEPPA.
Okay, done. I might have to start joining
That's pretty cool.
Watch me get a trade mill now and start trading and walking at the same time.
See, there you go.
I'm all about that infinite money glitch. I'm gonna download it right now.
Yeah, but you also gotta walk.
I know. Watch me how do they, is it like via the phone? Like how do they count the steps? Is it
via the health app.
Okay,
the Apple Health app.
Yeah, but some people hack that and they just like shake their phone. Have you seen that?
I mean, sure, you can cheat everywhere in life. Cool, so be it. There will still be people who fail, so you will still make money.
Wait, is it the one with the kangaroo? That app?
Yep, yeah, that one.
Oh, well, let's get everyone chat. If you've ever wanted to be healthy but had no motivation, now's your chance.
Actually, wait before you sign up. Get my link, and we both get like credits.
Okay, send me a link.
Wait. 1 second. Chat, I'll send my link into the chat and you can sign up through that.
Infinite money.
And then everybody gets free credits. Wait. Share with friends.
Yeah, Nick is about to put us all on right now.
Copy.
We're all going to get fit and rich.
Hell yeah. Okay, 1 second.
Damn, your lungs
so here's the link. Here's the link in the chat. I don't know if it works. No, it doesn't work. Wait. Does it? I'm not sure. 1 second, I'll send a new one. I'll delete that message. Okay, wait. I gotta make it a bit cleaner. Okay, bam.
All right, stopped out on the rest of that trade. We're running right now.
Here you go. Here's the link in the chat. Click that, and then when you sign up, use the code NickMTrades, so my usual social handle, and then you should get credit when you sign up. And then basically, you can just compete and do the steps challenge. Pretty cool.
Can we see like each other's like results?
I don't know. Maybe.
That's cool. Like you can compete with friends and stuff. All right, I'm gonna definitely get onto that after the stream.
Do it now.
I found out my gym is closed this week.
See, now you got something else. Perfect.
Yeah, well, there you go.
That is awesome. That is awesome.
All right, giveaway.
Yeah, giveaway.
Giveaway.
All right. Let's see. Giveaway time. Spinning. The winner of the first giveaway of the day is gonna be our good old lucky Fibovici.
Nice.
Fibovici. Congratulations. Type something in the chat. You have 30 seconds to claim your account.
Camsham says you have a bite anyway, Celine, you can't go to the gym. Did you hear this morning where I was talking about the bite that I woke up with, Nick?
No.
I woke up with like a whole spider bite on my back. Damn. And then I was complaining about it. Oh, there he is, Fibovici.
Yeah, let's do his win first, and then you tell me about your spider bite.
Okay.
Okay.
Max Eller.
Last week, Celine gave away 2 max aloes in one stream. So today we're gonna do min aloe. That's a 25k growth account. Here we go.
That's so sad. A min aloe.
It's your fault.
It's true. We need restrictions now. All right. This is good.
100k select.
Nice.
100k select account. Nice. Congrats. Now all you gotta do, Carlos Fibovici, is you have to add your email address to your YouTube channel description. Make sure it is your Tradeify login email, and we're gonna be sending you your free 100k select account within the next 7 days. Congrats.
Congratulations.
Okay, so what's up with your spider bite?
I don't know. I woke up with burning sensation on my back, and I look in the mirror and there is a whole I'm just watching NQ here because
on your back.
On my back, like
how do you look at your back in the mirror? How does that work?
Yes, like this.
Damn.
It's easy, just like twist your neck. So I just I was freaked out because I, for one, have never been stung by a bee. I don't know what that's meant to feel like. And like, I think only been bitten by a spider like once in my life, but this was like a whole like stinging pain, big red swelling mark. And like my skin was raised and I was freaking out. And I was like, shit, now I can't do push-ups. Damn it.
Of course, that was the first thought. Sure.
Nah, but yeah, I'm alive. It's all right, chat. I'm good.
Okay, let's see what we got. That was actually a nice entry here.
This was such a nice entry. Damn.
Although I must say, I hate these entries where I enter and it immediately goes green. Meh.
It's too clean.
Meh. Okay, I gotta sign up for some more challenges here, step challenges.
All right, yeah, I need to download this app too.
Do it.
So it's only steps?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's called Stepper. Yeah.
Only steps. Okay, I see 4 people signed up through the link. Let's go. That's how you do it. Now I can participate in the step challenges. Let's see. I'm signed up currently for the newbies challenge. That one starts in I think 2 days or so. And then let me get some signups for some more. Here's the moonwalking, 10,000 steps for 12 days. I'll sign up for that one too. That one is $40 entry.
And like, how many people are entering? Like, are we up against like?
Wait, no, you can't join multiple challenges at the same time. Bleh.
Oh no, then it's not an infinite money glitch.
It is. It just takes longer. Doesn't matter.
Damn.
I would have signed up for all of them.
Okay, so like, what was it? Yeah, I know. What was like the ROI? You put in 25. How much did you win? Or
I mean, it depends. Depends how many people complete the challenge, right? So, for example, right now in that challenge, I'm gonna actually cancel that challenge, and I'm gonna sign up for a more expensive one because it's more expensive. You're also
so we actually need people to fail. Guys, don't go for walks.
Yes. I want people to not hit their step goals. So
no one walked this way.
Ooh, there's one. I like this one. So there's one. It's called Ballers. You have to pay $250 to compete, and you have to hit 12,000 daily steps.
For how long?
One I like for 15 days. That's easy. Ooh,
easy.
I like that one. But think about it. People who pay $250 to join will also most likely all complete it. That's the problem.
That's true. They're going to be more motivated. So maybe there is more likely like the lower ones. People are like, $40.
Not the lower ones, but like the medium ones, you know? The ones where you pay like, I don't know, $50?
40, 50, yeah. I feel like that's a sweet spot. But it'd still be, I'd like to try the 250 just to see. You never know.
Well, the Ballers one starts in 12 days, so I'm not going to wait that long. I'm going to do the one that has a $60 entry fee.
Wait, what a smart idea. Nick, you should have created this app ages ago.
Yeah, this is awesome.
This is so smart.
This is awesome.
This is everything we talk about on the stream. Getting fit and getting rich, all in the one app.
Okay, I just joined the one for $60. It is called Heart Rate Hustle. Starts on August 13th.
Okay. And how long? How many days do the challenges last?
It's always 15 days, I think.
Okay.
Oh, no, not always, but this one is 15 days.
And as soon as you, say you don't hit that 12,000 step mark, are you disqualified or can you do more the next day to make up?
That I don't know. I would say you have to hit it every single day.
Yeah.
But I'm not sure. I'm not sure.
It'll be me just pacing around my house trying to get the last few steps in if I don't fully reach it.
Well, we'll see. I set it up now. Guess we'll find out.
Kamal in the chat says first ever payout, $2,000 overwhelmed. Well, freaking done, Kamal. Cam, nice. I don't know how to say that his name, but congrats. That is a huge win on the day. Happy Monday.
Amal's sister. What's the handle to use on the referral? Nick M Trades. My normal handle from everywhere.
Nick M Trades.
Yeah. Yacht, so did you forfeit your $25? No, you actually get it back. It's pretty cool. That is pretty cool.
Russell said, Nick knows already he cyber stalked me that one time. Do you remember how we outed you one time on stream? You found Russell's Instagram.
Oh yeah.
That
was a long time ago though.
That was funny. Chicken, are you also part of this step challenge, Chicken?
Is Chicken in the chat?
Chicken's in the chat. Well, there's a Greek joker in the chat.
He is. There he is. What's up? What's up, Chicken? He is actually in Greece right now.
No way.
Yeah.
Where are you, Chicken? Actually, you don't have to answer.
Chicken is actually in Greece on a holiday.
Are you enjoying the tzatziki?
Tizaikai, my friend? You like?
Kalimera. That's not Greek.
Kalimera.
Kalimera. Athens Airport. Okay. Oh, okay, so you're not in Thessaloniki. Boring.
Thessaloniki.
Milos? No, I want to go to Milos. Damn it. Jealous.
Yeah, it's true. Your profile picture does make you go incognito in the chat, but your profile picture is fucking sick. Everybody who doesn't know what I'm talking about, go to Greek Joker's profile and look what he has.
Wait, is this the trip where Chicken goes to Paros? Is this the one?
I think so, yeah.
Oh, nice.
So, Celine.
Yes.
Did you download the app?
I have the app, but you know me, I can't multitask. I can't do the whole sign up thing and stream.
Okay, take a minute. I'll hold down.
All right, you hold down the fort. All right.
Yeah, no problem.
I was thinking, I got to the claim your username part, and it came up with this Happy Walker Flash 62. Is that
change it?
Is that a good username?
I don't know. Whatever the username you want. I would make it Celine Trades or whatever your usernames are.
All right, Celine Trades. We got it. It's available. Taking that. Should I call it Celine Walks? Trades.
That actually makes sense.
All right, Celine Walks. It's my walking account.
God, what is the app? It's called Steppa. Wait, I can send you the link again.
Climb the step leaderboard.
I can send you the link again. Let's see.
No, it's gonna access all my health data. No.
Of course, it has to. Wait. Celine's new username, Lil Steppa. Okay, 1 second. I'll pull it up again.
Continue with Google. I'm almost there.
Almost there.
It hasn't asked me to put your code in yet.
Well, it will, probably. Okay, chat, I'll send the link again. Here you go. And then just Nick M Trades. I wonder. Let's see who can make the most money from walking.
Referral code applied successfully. Did you get it?
Yeah. I don't know. You tell me if it works or not. But let's see who can make the most money over the next 12 months from just walking.
Let's go. All right, it's on. Apparently I've done, how many steps do you reckon I've done today? Oh my gosh. By the way, I have 2 flights of stairs in my house and I've only done 92 steps.
Leah, great questions. You said, Nick, I joined too, but explain one thing. How many people get paid? Because, I mean, if all participants succeed, we'll just get our money back. Yes, that's correct. However, people will fail. Trust.
Yeah.
People fail. They're like, oh, yeah, let me compete in this. And then after like 6 days, they're like, whatever, it's just $25. But not me. I will walk. I will walk and walk and walk. So now everybody who signed up here gets $5, I think, credit.
Where is my freaking referral bonus? It hasn't come through.
Oh, you get it. You get it after your first challenge, I think.
Okay. Damn, I can see there's a prize pool here, 21,000, almost 22K in this one. It starts in a day.
Yeah, but that's the one I first signed up for, and then I pulled out and got into a more expensive one. Because, I mean, obviously that's also more people in there. But, I mean, you can try that one. It doesn't matter.
Well, and then does it get split evenly between the people that...
Yes, it's the total prize pool gets split amongst all the people who successfully complete it.
Nice.
Leah says, but there's one for 3K steps a day, which sounds like everyone might succeed. Yes, that's why you don't take that one.
Yeah.
You gotta take the big ones, the big dogs. Those are the ones you want to participate in. I participate in the ones that, where you have to do 12,000 steps. Those are the ones.
Basically, you can only really profit if people fail. So you want to do those ones that are bigger challenge.
That is very correct. Okay, let's see.
Oh, Panya says it's not available for Android. Damn. Well.
Yeah, well, that's why I don't have Android.
Yeah, just us premium Apple users.
That's exactly why.
Oh, Leia said, can you create a challenge, Nick? Call it Tradeify Track.
Oh, that would be cool. Hell yeah,
Okay.
let's do that. I can make one. Wait. Create your first challenge. Here we go. I'll make it a private one. Max 20 participants.
Oh no, we need like thousands.
But then I have to pay.
Oh damn! Then it's not an infinite money glitch anymore.
No, whatever. I'll do it. I'll do it. Okay. So Tradeify TV step challenge. Okay, before you sign up for anything, I'll make one. That's gonna be fun. Wait 1 second.
But max 20 only?
No. I make a public one.
Okay.
Okay. Let's see. Continue. Daily step goal. How many do you want, guys?
Make it hard. We want to make money. We want everyone
We're gonna make the Tradeify step challenge. How many steps should we take a day?
Oh.
Yeah, great idea, Leah. Thank you. I mean, I can set it to 50K.
Oh no.
Who wants
You're
to
just gonna make.
We can set it to 15K. Who wants to compete against the big dog?
I'm in. 15K, I'm in. We got a deal.
15,000 a day?
13? All right, we got some 13s in the chat. 13s meet us halfway, Nick.
It's gonna start tomorrow. So you want 13, chat? Okay, let's do this. Roman, can you get a poll?
Chickens
poll
like
up and call it steps challenge and do 12,000 steps, 15,000 steps, and 17,000 steps. Let's see what people want.
Shit, I gotta get my step count on. I'm gonna have to wake up so early to get out there walking before the heat comes. I had to wake up like 5 a.m. make this a new thing.
All right, let's see.
Wait, would it count if I did like the bike at the gym? No.
No, those are not steps. Duh.
Oh my gosh, okay.
Do you walk on a bike?
Shut up. Okay, I get it.
Of course running counts, Justin.
I might have to like start tracking this. So how many, damn it. I'm only on 92 steps today. It's not looking good. It's not looking good for me.
Okay. So Roman, did you get the pull up or no? Oh, now there it is. Okay. So steps challenge, 12K, 15K, or 17K? I'll vote for 15.
Where do I think people are going to fail?
People want 17. Okay, the next question. Once you voted for that, chat, I'll give you. Let's see if we can get 200 votes. After 200 votes, you make a decision. Ooh, they want 17.
Really? Everyone wants 17? Shit.
It looks like it.
I'm cooked.
Okay, chat. Let's see.
Yeah, we're all gonna need treadmills now. And my gym is closed this week. That means they have to. Huh?
You can walk outside too. Bored Panda says, "Move on for fuck's sake! How poor are you? Grifting a walking app." Hey, I mean, look, I'm in a trade right now. I'm up 70 points. What else do you want me to do? Jasmine, any re-entry for this trade? No. I mean, you can take it here, but you're longing the highs, which in 15 minutes, this might not be the highs. Okay, here you go. Steps, you guys decided it's 17,000. Good. So I'll set it to 17,000. Now, Roman, let's get a new poll up. Entry fee. 20, let's do $20. No, let's do $25, $50, or 100.
Oh, so minimum 20. Was it?
No, 25. 25.
Minimum
50,
25.
Yeah. We can make a cheap one too. We can say 10. Let's make it this way, Roman. 10. Or let's do this. 15, 25, 50, or 100.
100, yeah. All right, let's see.
Board Panda says 70 points, 1 micro. So impressive. Sarcasm. Well,
oh my gosh.
What trade are you in, Board Panda?
Board Panda, you clearly don't understand trading. All right, let's see.
Okay, so 15, 25, 50, or 100. You guys decide.
Jasmine says, are you going to move stop loss to break even? There is no stop loss in this trade, Jasmine.
Nope. Board Panda says, I'm up 1,000 trading ES. Nice. Congrats. Congratulations. Yeah, Jared, that's my thought as well. If it's 100, nobody will enter it. Okay, looks like you guys want 15, so that's what we're gonna do. Gonna set it up 15. So $15 entry fee to hit 17,000 steps. Tradeify TV step challenge. Okay, continue. So 17,000. 15 entry. It starts tomorrow. And it goes until well, we'll do it for 1 week. How about that?
Okay. You gotta hit 17,000 every day for a week.
Actually, wait, I can't start it tomorrow. I can only start it on Thursday's the earliest we can do. Actually, wait. Let's see. Continue. You gotta.
People are actually gonna join.
What's that?
I wonder how many people are actually gonna join. Like,
I'm wondering as well.
Because we have like over 1,000 people that are here right now. I wonder if everyone's gonna actually join.
Okay, so.
Do we get accounts too? Says Amir.
I mean, the winner. Let's do this. The winner gets an account. Okay, It's gonna be from Wednesday till next Tuesday. 7 days. Challenge.
Okay. Starting Wednesday. So we got 2 days to prep.
Mm-hmm.
Chat, drop a W if you're planning on joining us in this challenge. Everyone drop a W. I just want to see how many, like, what's the competition going to be like?
Oh man, it deleted the competition. Now I got to reset it up.
Oh my gosh.
Tradeify.
Okay, there's already 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Shit. All right. There's going to be a few of us in this. This is going to be fun.
This is going to be fun, yeah. So, okay, I'm setting it up again. God, it's annoying. Continue. The invite code is going to be obvious. Tradeify TV. Okay, and bang. Slide to create. Bang, done. Join your challenge. Okay. Oh, now I have to pull out of the other challenge. Damn it.
Oh yeah, I can't do the other challenges now.
Okay, so here we go. 1 second.
Ozguna guy said, this is cool. It's part of my knee rehab. Well, now you're going to rehab your knee and also make money potentially.
Okay, here you go, chat. If you want to participate in this challenge, here's the link. Click that, Celine, and see if it works.
Okay. Yeah. It says open in Stepper, so hold on. Let me just...
Okay. Let's go. Fun.
All right, opening through the app.
Jasmine is asking, can I go long now, Nick? Well, you can always go long, but always keep in mind what you're going to do with this position. I mean, look, here you're longing the highs, right? I said, in like 20 minutes, this might not be the high anymore, but it could very well be that it just pulls back and it comes back down. So always keep in mind, what are the consequences of you taking a position? So if you're taking a long here, what is going to happen if it drops? Are you going to take a stop loss? Are you going to work your position? Are you going to add into it? If it goes higher, are you going to take profit? Where are you going to take profit? Have a plan, right? And then it's going to be fine. Okay, we got 2 people in already. Are you in already, Celine?
No, I'm not in yet. Manton is in. Manton, I see you.
Oh, you see the participants?
Yeah, click the 2 people that are in. Click.
Oh, there we go. Okay, we got Manton in. We got Debbie in. Here we go. This is going to be fun. Now
price pool is sitting at $30 right now.
Now I'm going to have to pull out of this other competition.
Yeah, that's a thing. I want to be in the big dog competitions.
Well, but now we have the Tradeify TV competition, which is pretty cool.
That's true. That's pretty cool. Justin's like, you only get $30 if you finish. No, right now the pool is sitting at 30, obviously, because there's 2 people in there. The pool's going up though. Price pool is currently sitting at 45, so a 3rd person joined. So the more people join, then the more obviously the prize pool goes up.
Yup.
I will join you guys. I'll do it after the stream.
Why after the stream? Just do it now.
Oh well, I'll do it now. I have to link my card. 1 second. I spent like half the stream on my phone right now.
Oh, we got 3 people in. We got Manton, we got Dewi, we got... Who else we got?
What the heck? What's BGN? What currency is that?
We got Mikey. Nice. Let's see. See, that's what I mean, Jasmine. Now it's going to go down. So if you entered it at the top there, that's obviously would be very annoying.
Can you see me in there now?
Oh, now I put my phone away, so I don't know. So
right,
I don't know.
I'm in. Starts in a day. Celine Walks is in there. All right. I'm getting a short setup here. I will take this after this inversion closes. Okay. I'm taking the short. Again, same entry criteria. The stop is just a little high for me at 36 points. I'll take partials at 36 points. 29,913.
Jasmine says, gotcha, Nick. I got out with stop loss. Yeah, there you go. Chicken. But Chicken, you should definitely join.
Yeah, Chicken. The amount of walking you're going to be doing on holiday. I feel like holidays I always walk a lot. 84875.
Oh, he's already in. Let's go. Let's go, Mr. Chicken.
Yep, I'm in there too. There's like 6 of us, I think.
Nice. Nice. Hey, whoever filled out the Google form 40 times with the name Nick back equals stream good again.
I had that.
But the stream was always good. I mean, Celine crushed it.
No, there was a guy last week that was filling out the form every time. Like, stream is dead with that, Nick. Stream is dead. It must be that guy.
Come on. Come on, chat.
No, they missed you. It's not the same, Nick. I had to put my serious mode on and I was talking a lot of serious trading stuff last week. But now we can have fun again.
Yay. All right. Let's see. So chat, who's in the trade right now?
Yes. Who is right now? Are you still holding it? You're long, by the way. Yeah.
Yep. Yeah, what's the next Lycle? That's a great question.
Oh, we didn't set the like goal. Well, let's have a look. What are we at? We're currently sitting at 945 likes. Damn, chat, you guys are on fire today. Like, we're almost already approaching the 1,000 like goal. So let's just say 1,100 likes for the next one. Okay?
Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. Also, congrats on hitting the viewer record last week.
Well, yeah, before we got botted, but yeah, that was big.
Yeah, but before that, you had it, so.
Yeah, thanks.
Dude, Samba Siva Ready, stop spamming. I'll give you a timeout of 5 minutes. Enjoy. Also, when you say your screen no clearance, like I literally have the stream open on YouTube and I can see everything. I don't know if you're watching on a microwave, but I can see it.
Microwave. Mixie Sling, why did you enter short there? Okay, reason I'm in this short is because we had a sweep and clean rejection after sweeping previous 15-minute high. We're still trading above this 4-hour high level, and we are still trading above the Asia high. The only reason I am a little nervous shorting into here is because we're trading into a 15-minute bullish gap. So there is a chance this holds. We're rejecting right now out of there. So yeah, potentially this could reverse on me. But nevertheless, I'm holding through this gap, and we'll see. I accept the risk. In saying that, if anyone noticed, I actually haven't put my stop loss on yet. Lol.
Hey, Celine turning into me now. Look at that.
Accidentally turning into Nick. Hold on.
Accidentally, sure.
No, stop loss is on there now. So yeah, we are currently trading in a 15-minute bullish gap, so I'm aware of that. That's why I'm sitting right now on the 15-minute chart, and I'll watch and see how this plays out. We will see. Playing with the profits here, so I accept the risk. Central Checkers has been in short since the live started, and I just doubled down. Damn. You are convinced. Cracker says, anyone know how Spuddy went over the weekend? I'm sure it was great. No, I haven't heard from the Spud, but yes.
Well, I saw a picture.
I did see a picture. But yes, big congrats to the Spuddy. The potato. Celine trading too much with Nick. That happens. Yeah. It was an accident. Stop loss is there now. Here we go. This is an area that potentially this is gonna reverse on me. Potentially. I'm watching this 15-minute gap. Justin says price pool now is a Tradeify select. Let's have a look. Wait, how do I check wait, I'm back on the app. Oh, there we go. You can see. 11 participants.
Ooh, now it gets interesting. Jasmine says, how are you guys in 2 different trades on the same chart? What do you mean?
What?
You can always take trades in both directions.
And as you guys know, Nick will hold his trades much longer, and I prefer to get out of my trades in a shorter amount of time. So both can work.
That's how it is. That is exactly how it is.
That's annoying. If a whole bunch of you wanted to join, but you're Android users, we can't help that.
Nope.
That sucks.
Seabirds Live. Heineck, what EMAs do you have running? The blue one is a 120 EMA and the yellow one is a 200 EMA. I'm on the 5-minute charts. Well, Jasmine, everybody trades in a different way, right? And the way Celine trades, for her setup, she sees shorts, and for the way I trade, I see longs. But as said, Celine said before, she usually is in a trade for a way shorter amount of time than me. It could be that I'm in this trade until like close of the session, 5 p.m. Eastern time. Could be. Actually, no, can't be, because I will get auto closed at 4:44.
4:45.
Nope,
Yeah.
4:44.
44. But yeah, this trade I'm trying to like short, like I said at the beginning of the stream, I'm overall bullish bias, like higher time frame. I want to see the day end up closing above 30,000 and beyond. But right now, just in this session, I'm just trying to take like a quick short just to see a retracement. And we have retraced, like this has been a pullback into the 50-minute bullish gap. So that could be a potential for like an area of price. Like we're reacting exactly to the midpoint of that gap. So I'm aware this might not be the cleanest short. So I'm watching that, because if I was in a long here, that is a clean looking signal that we're going higher. So I'm aware this might be a shit trade.
For all of you who are saying Stepa is not on Android, yeah, I'm sorry. It's like, can't change it. Cannot change it. So funny, like Lady Trade says, can you turn off that strident music, please? It's stressful. And then right below we have somebody. Could somebody give me the name of the song, please?
Most people love the Tradeify, like the music we play here. Cameron says, yuck, Apple users? Come on.
Come on.
You don't know what you're talking about. Apple is goated.
Apple's just so much cleaner. But
So
to each their own. There's no right or wrong in this discussion, because it's an endless discussion that humanity will never
agree on.
And
that's why the two will always exist.
Yep.
Dennis says, wow, are my messages invisible? No, Dennis, but we might have just not seen your comment, or
Yeah, what did you say, Dennis?
chose to ignore.
Let's see.
He said his last comment was, that's what she said. So, haha, we didn't actually catch your joke.
Yeah.
Celine, did you sleep in the sun? What's your other question? Not sure. And he let us know that Stepper is for iPhone only. There you go.
Mm-hmm. I tell you one thing. 17,000 steps a day for a full week. That's tough.
Don't try getting into our minds now, Nick.
I mean, I don't think anybody got that in them, to be honest.
Oh yeah, I got it in me. I got the dog in me. When it comes to competition, you saw me in Grand Cup. I can turn it up.
Okay.
My average is sitting right now. I'm 92 steps, but that's still early in the day. Still early.
So are you telling me that you are gonna complete the 17,000 steps a day for a full week? Is that what you're saying?
Yes, that's the competition at hand. That is what I'm gonna complete. Clip it, take it, write it down, Nick.
I'm on it.
I know you're on it. 17,000 steps a day is the challenge in 7 days, and Celine is gonna crush it. Mark my words. In fact, I might even over crush it. I might do 20,000 a day.
Wow. Another great receipt.
I'm definitely committing to 17,000. The extra, no commitment there.
Well, I know Kobe says stomach problems.
Chad, that was struggling the last 2 weeks. You have no idea. I'm good. My stomach is back.
Sure.
Selena's gonna come tomorrow with some endless excuses. I love this, guys. Focus on me and don't do your own steps. And then you know who's gonna come out on top? Me. Put all your focus on me.
Sure.
So someone's calculated 17,000 steps is about 2.5 hours for walking daily. Do you think that's accurate?
Yep, that's about accurate. Celine's like, oh shit, what did I sign up for?
No, I was just thinking, easy. I'll just get a treadmill and I'll start walking in the office. Done. By the end
Okay,
of
so you're telling me until Wednesday you have a treadmill?
I might just walk on the spot.
You gotta get the moonwalkies.
Might have to put some moonwalkers on and just walk on the spot. Sling 50-minute close bullish. Yeah, this is not a nice 50-minute candle close for me. So we'll see. We'll see where this price goes. It can still go anywhere, but yeah, not looking like a clean bearish close. Spider bite problems. I love how everyone doubts me. I love it.
Well, you don't have the best track record.
I love it. It's good, chat. Doubt me. That means I'm going to
turning into Nicholas Haderus, huh?
Sounds like it. I love it. I'm going to actually, like, as soon as I jump off stream, I'm going for a run now. I have to.
You do definitely have to. You definitely have to.
Celine, this trade is because you jinxed it. No, this trade is not because I jinxed it. I spoke very clearly about what could potentially happen shorting into this 15-minute gap. And it was a risk. And I took the trade anyway. And I have the risk already set because I have a stop loss on this trade. And so this was something that I understood could potentially go against me in this trade. So if you took this trade and you're saying I jinxed it for you, like that's not how trading works. That's not how it works. You took the trade. I said what could potentially happen in this 15-minute gap, and it's happening. So against all odds, might be taking a loss here.
Mm-hmm. T-Bogart, Nick, do you do any fasting, intermittent, or multi-day? No, I like eating.
I like eating. Did you have any like really nice French food? Did you have, I mean, baguettes, of course. You would have had baguettes.
Yeah, baguette. And crepes.
Oh, yes. The
Crepes, mais oui, bien sûr.
Did you only have strawberry jam? Did you end up trying Nutella?
No, I mean, I had Nutella crepe before, but no, I didn't have it there.
Crepe with Nutella and banana.
I did not have it there. The good news says, who's the fool that copied you and then blamed you, Celine? Name the user.
He said, what was his name? He didn't exactly blame me. Rowie. He just said, Celine, this trade is because you jinxed it. So he didn't exactly blame me. I don't even know if he's in the trade with me. But yeah, we're looking bullish here.
Mm-hmm.
Where's your TP, Nick? Your TP would be close.
30,001 and a quarter.
Oh, right on 30,000 pretty much.
Yep. Yeah, Nutella and strawberry and banana crepe. Yes, that's good. Strawberry and Nutella in general, really good.
Yes, good.
Really, really good.
Good duo.
All right.
Celine, it's your fault. I got a payout coming and I inversed you. Let's go, Justin. Let's go. At least you're taking that payout, investing me. I'm all for it. Cheeseball still in the longs. Chat, yes. Tell us who's in trades right now. Who's holding these longs? Who entered a short? Who took that risk?
Dr. B, why have you guys restricted my country? We're not the ones restricting countries. That's based on the country's law. So It's not us making that decision. That's how it is.
Took the trade, got out quick. MQ long, holding longs, flat, long. Most of you longs. Shorted 675. Cool. 670. No, 975. What the hell? I did not read that right. Long since Friday. Okay. Slasher, watching and hanging out. Pleasure to be here. Appreciate you. Just coming here to chill. Love that.
Focus on Extreme says, hey guys, first time being here, loving the vibe so far. Nice. Welcome to Tradeify TV. Okay. Also, where are we at subscribers wise? I didn't even.
We're almost at that 150K mark.
Ooh, 148, huh? And we're also at 1,000 likes. We need 1,100 for the next giveaway. So if you haven't already, make sure you smack that like button.
Do it. We promise at least a min alert today.
Minimum allocation. Let's go. That's how we roll.
OMG, did we just invest this Celine MVP for president? Invest what? You guys need to calm it down. The charts haven't done much at all since I've been in this trade. Truly. Long to 30,048 after the no wick candle. 30,048. I mean, yeah, I see this going to at least 30,000. What did I say? 94 was that level? But I just wanted to pull back a little bit.
Let's see how many people are in the steps challenge now.
Oh yeah, what's it at?
Let's see how many people signed up for it. Only 11? Come on now.
No way. That was like 10 minutes ago. It was 11. Chat, I asked how many people would join and you all were like spamming W. Now where are you all at?
Suddenly they don't. Okay, we got in there Davey, we got Menton, we got Mikey, we got Tough Scout, we got Celine Walks, we got Zero Skills, we got Leia Lager, of course, we got Bonjori, we got Uncle Drew, we got Theromanic, we got Mr. Execution. All right. Lots of cool names in there.
Share this with the New York chat, the New York stream.
Yeah, that'll be cool.
So we can get more and more. We need everyone to fail so we can make money.
Well, I say you won't complete it, Celine.
Nick, pray on my downfall even more. I dare you. Just do it. Keep doubting me.
You won't complete. 17,000 steps for 7 days in a row. I tell you, it's tough.
Nick, you don't know who I am, okay? I'm the...
Well, I programmed you, so...
What do they call it on Strava? I'm the local legend.
The local legend.
I'm the local legend of this area, okay? You would have no idea.
Sure. Sure.
What is that sign up for? Wait, what?
What?
If anyone's late, we had a sign up. Where did that sign up go, by the way? Wasn't that pinned in the chat? Someone join our step challenge.
I can put it in again.
Everyone go and join.
Okay. For those of you who just joined in, we're gonna do a Tradeify TV step challenge, and basically, I'm gonna send a link in the chat. You can sign up. If you complete the step challenge, you have to hit 17,000 steps every day for 7 days. If you complete it, the prize pool will be like everybody who completes it, the prize pool will be split amongst them. Yeah, and that's it. Here's the link.
That's it.
So you can literally like make money by walking. It's kind of funny.
Boston says, Selena, you okay today? Why is your chart on 15 minutes? This usually was a tick chart. You're right. This is a bit high time frame for me to be watching. But reason being is I'm today very focused on this 15-minute gap. As I said, this is a very important area of price. So I'm staring at the 15-minute time frame until that gets closed over, if it does. Well, Elliot, what happens if no one completes it?
That's a great question.
Has that ever happened? All our money goes into
I don't know. I just found that app. I have no idea.
Don't worry, I'll complete it, guys. I'll be that guy.
Robot says when Congo asks for the form, give him the walk one. Good idea.
Slimy Yoselin just took a trade. Yes, I took a trade not just now, a little while ago. Been in this trade since 3:49 Eastern. 20 minutes or so. Imagine this is a rug pull, Nick. And Nick's just rug pulled us all chat.
Why me? It's not my app.
No, not you. Whoever stepper is, we just get rug pulled.
That'd be funny.
Justin, guys, you gotta quit with the doubting.
What's he saying?
He said Slim will be out on the second day.
Well, you said you want them to doubt. You said you want them to doubt. You have to follow through with your wishes.
All right, fine. So Justin, you're saying to me by Thursday I will not complete 17,000 steps. Is that it? Mm-hmm. And where are you on the sign up, Justin? And where are you? All these doubters. Where are you?
That is a fair question.
Where are all these doubters?
I've seen none of you. Justin, not cool. Because Justin says, I would do it, but I haven't run in a minute. I'd have to work up my mileage. If you say Celine is just putting in excuses, while you hit us with an excuse like that, then that is super lame, Justin.
Super lame. Back it up.
There's no chance you're going to beat Celine. He says, okay, fine, I'll do it just to beat Celine. Nah.
Do it. Bring it on, all of you, all you doubters. Come and join the competition.
Patrick says, good morning, everybody. Nick looking particularly Hulkenbergy today. Thank you, sir. Make some pancakes.
Morning, Patty.
Go to the kitchen, Patty.
Nick will be the sole survivor. No, he won't.
I just don't want to pull out of this other competition. That's what sucks.
You're not going to join this?
I will. Probably.
Nick.
If we get like, we got to get 100 people in.
Nick, there's no way. No, you have to join this. I freaking joined it. So now I can't do the other challenges because you're like, why aren't you joining? And I was like, fine, I'll freaking join it. You have to join it now. Dude, what the hell? Yes.
It's just not enough people in there.
Yeah, well, you made me freaking sign up when there was 2 in there.
That's 11 still.
Now I can't do any other challenges this week. Can you edit it? Can it just be like a 3-day challenge?
Yeah, but that is way too easy.
Yeah, but we want to do the other challenge.
You can so easily hit 17,000 steps 3 days in a row. 7 days is where it gets tough, you know? Over the weekend is when it gets tough. When people are chilling, relaxing, that's when it gets really tough.
Yeah, keep it actually, yeah. We want those weak people in there.
It's exactly what we want.
All right, well, what is this NQ doing right now? We came back to break even. It's sort of consolidating, but no doubt this wants to go higher. I'm kind of like, don't really like how it's looking higher time frame. But I'm holding.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, Leah, are you in the challenge? She said go out early in the morning. We can do it. Are you in this, Leah?
Yeah, she's in there.
Oh, good.
Menzo says, don't force Nick to join if you want to win, Celine. Well, it's going to be split amongst everybody who completes it. So even if I win, she can still win.
Mm-hmm. That's true.
Anthony, will you guys be trading single stock futures once the volume picks up? Me, no, probably not.
I'll look into it.
Well, Paul, you can always cheat in life. Cheating in life is easy. Question is why you would do that. Leia, yeah, I think you can see everybody's steps. Sushi Lunial, thank you. Happy to be back.
Wait, CK Arc says I'm used to US Open with the big moves, so finding London a bit harder. Yeah, London, you definitely have to have a bit more patience. You're not going to get like your trades hit within like 10 minutes, unlike in the New York session with the big volume we get. But some days you'd be surprised. There can be a lot of volume here at London session, but right now it's kind of slow. Just need the patience.
Actually, let's put this on top of the steps challenge.
Okay.
If we get at least 50 participants, okay, 50, then the winner, the person who has the most steps out of everybody, gets a 150K account.
Okay. I think the chat will love that.
Yep. Hunting Pip says anyone can cheat until you get caught. Yep, that's correct. That is correct.
Justin says, mind you, I have a 17 Pro Max and I have to hold it. I'll do it just to beat something. Go for it, Justin.
He says, Patrick Justin says, I will destroy you guys. My nickname at school was Forrest Gump. I just kept running. Well, good then. Prove it. Prove it, Forrest.
Around Forrest. How long have you been trading, Celine? Not too long. All right, stop with your spamming. You've asked that question maybe 10 times now. Almost 3 years in October. And now I'm spamming. I'm deleting you, putting you in timeout. Goodbye. Because you asked that way too many times.
Leia beat you to it. Leia was faster.
Oh.
Thank you, Leia. Let's see what your stop is at the high of this previous wick, or what's that?
Yeah, just above the highs here, like the previous hourly high, 29,986.
Mm-hmm.
Just there. What are those lines? EMA or VWAP? You're probably talking about Nick's chart. Not mine.
It's Reckless already admitting that he's going to cheat. Says, I'll walk for an hour and give my phone to a family member so they can walk for an hour. Look, you can always cheat in life, right? But what would be even cooler than that, cooler than cheating, is you do it and your family members all do it and you all complete it and everybody gets money. That would be way cooler, cheating.
Mm-hmm.
Afterwards, you're going to be like, oh yeah, look guys, I cheated. I made $20 for cheating. Haha, cool.
Uh-huh. You know what I gotta buy? One of those like packs to put the phone on you while you run. I don't have that.
Other ones for the arm?
Yeah, or like the belt ones.
The belt ones, the fanny pack
Yeah.
phone pouch.
Yeah, what?
Well, sure.
Well, something to hold my phone. Otherwise, it's not going to track my runs, my walks.
Slasher Place says dumping. It's just a wreck handle. It's fine.
I'm only just back at break even. This is not a dump at all.
I'm still up 50 points, 55.
Nice.
So I'm chilling. Leah says just buy a watch, Celine. Yeah, good point. Good point.
There's a displacement. Not really. This isn't, I mean, this is just, again, tapping into this 15-minute gap. Like, I will be more convinced that this will play out now if we invert the 15-minute gap. Right? As long as we're holding still the 50% of this, we can still use this as a point of support and just keep going higher. So,
Justin says, do you think it's a good start to do leg day right now if in the challenge? I mean, look, you can still walk after a leg day. That's not a problem. Just don't be a chicken.
Oh, is Chicken joining us? Speaking of.
He said he is.
Imagine you get beaten by Chicken, chat. Come on. I shouldn't be trying to support you guys when you're walking. You all need to fail. That's how I'm gonna make my money.
It's gonna be a battle.
Yes.
A big battle.
SJ, what indicator is that? The one showing all the opening prices? That is the sessions and key levels indicator. I use this one here.
I don't see Chicken in there though. Chicken.
Chicken's probably on a plane.
No, I know he's in Greece.
Oh.
But he certainly didn't sign up. That's for sure.
He's being a chicken.
Mm-hmm.
Where are we at with the likes? We haven't even done a second. This is very unusual for a stream. No second giveaway? Oh, we did it. 1,100 likes.
Let's go. All right.
Giveaway time.
Giveaway time. Justin says, give me 20 minutes. I'm going to the gym. I'm going to see if it tracks my steps. Then I'll join. Yeah, already sounds like excuses, Justin. Just sign up. Okay, giveaway time. That means if you want to participate in this giveaway to potentially win an account. Damn, somebody signed up with the name Can't Wait for Another Week Without Nick. Holy. But if you want to participate, all you got to do is like the stream, subscribe to the channel, and once I send you the link to the Google form, fill out that Google form, but only do it once. If you ask me where the form is, what shape or form I'm in, or any sorts of questions like that, you're going to get disqualified. And if you ask me how to join the giveaway, you're going to get super duper mega disqualified. Link incoming. You have 30 seconds to fill it out. Until the next 15-minute candle has 4 minutes and 45 seconds left. In case you want to complain about stream delay. Okay, I see people coming in. 12 more seconds.
Good luck.
Right. 5 more seconds. And done. All right, copying everybody over. It's not that many people. It's still a good number, but not that many.
All right, good luck, everybody else. Let's do it.
Here we go. All right. Spinning. The winner, second winner for today is... Bam! Trader D's. Trader D's, huh? Okay. Type something in the chat.
Congratulations.
Congrats, Trader D's.
D's.
Type something so we can see you. He says, first win ever. Nice. Congrats.
Mountain like, these what?
Don't.
Oh, Lily.
Okay. Let's see what you actually win. You, sir, get a... Ooh, lightning. Could be 50.
Nice.
25K. Okay, 25K lightning funded account. All you gotta do is add your email address to your YouTube channel description. Make sure it's a Tradeify login email, and you're gonna get a 25K lightning funded account that's funded already. You don't have to pass an eval, and yeah,
Congrats. That's big. Straight to funded.
Trader D's accounts are big that you just got.
This guy, 1998, we see you. He said, I can't join and submit the request due to ads. The chat, you can still join the giveaway just by filling in the form, no matter the ads that might pop up on YouTube. I don't know, but just fill out the form next time.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, we're gonna have to keep Min Aloe on there, I reckon, this whole week. Just so I can
Min Aloe. The good old Min Aloe.
2 max aloes on one day. Mark is asking for the stepper link again, Nick.
Again? Okay. Here you go. Boing. I wonder how many people actually complete it.
Me too. I wonder how many people are actually going to join. They're all fake.
Yeah.
Everyone's...
We need 50 people at least to for the winner to get a 150K account.
If there's not even 50 people in this, I want a refund. I'm getting out of this challenge.
I gotta go to the bathroom really quick. Give me 1 minute.
Okay. Chad, come on. Whoever wants to talk big game, now's your chance to join the step challenge. Come and face us. Everyone wants to doubt me and my steps. Julian says, Nick Celine is Tradeify hiring developers. I'm not sure, but you can always head to our website to see if there are any open positions. I would join if there was an Android version. So now all of you that were saying I was going to join, now all of you just happen to be Android users. I'm not buying it. Celine's already trying to find a way out. I swear I'm not. I'm just saying with 11 participants right now, it's not looking as fun. Okay, we need we need at least 50 to 100 plus to make this worthwhile. Also, we're going to give an account away if there's at least 50 of you in there. So come on. Everyone here wants an account. Trobia says, I can join Step Challenge. I just woke up. What are the details? Just go up further in the chat. Nick just sent the link. That link that Nick sent, that's how you join. Download the app Stepper and join us. 17,000 steps a day for 7 days. Market Magnet says, new like goal, Celine. True, we need to set a new like goal here. That means right now we're at 1,000... How many likes? 1,100 likes. I'm going to say 1,000. We'll bump it up again. 1,300 likes for the third giveaway. 1,300. And we'll do the next one. Next giveaway. Long or short nows? Right now, I'm in shorts. Nick is in longs. We're both fading each other here right now. But I'm just wanting a quick short. I'm not trying to be holding shorts for... like long. I'm high time frame expecting to see NQ go higher. I'm just trying to catch the pullback after this bullish move we've had. As you can see, high time frame, bullish candle, bullish candle, bullish candle. These are all 4-hour candles. And I'm just hoping to catch this bit of a reversal pullback. I'm shorting into 913. But it's just been a real hold up in this 15-minute gap. 1, 2, like 3, 4 candles now. We've just dropped lower and then rejected out of here. So it's not looking good. I'm hoping we can get the inversion of this 15-minute gap and I will feel much better. But if not, we might be cooked. Yeah, resilience is selling that 15-minute FEG is holding. It is for now, but we could potentially see a drop. I'm waiting.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. All right. What do we have here?
Someone said, Dennis is like, you can always take on the challenge walking with your iPad. Imagine coming out walking with your iPad.
You could, sure.
You could also just bring your... No, you couldn't bring your MacBook, could you?
I don't know. Does it track steps? I don't think so.
It would be crazy. I don't think so.
I do not think so.
Well. Where is there an area, Nick, where you would actually add into this position now?
I mean, I'm still up 55 points, so no.
So as long as you're in the red, right?
As long as I'm positive,
you wouldn't.
I'm gonna be chilling.
Okay.
Yeah. We'll see what happens with it.
Well, I'm pretty much back at break even again. What is this London session? Very choppy here.
Everybody's saying, oh, it's not on Android. It's not on Android. Yeah, it's not on Android. Yeah, correct.
Finished. Done.
It's just how it is. It is how it is.
Yovek says, hey guys, always a pleasure to spend the rest of my shift with you. Thank you. Appreciate you. Love that we're getting you through the rest of your shift at work.
Mm-hmm.
Profanity's calling this the Monday morning chop.
The Monday morning chop. Is that
yeah, so? Could be.
Is that so?
We had an initial nice drop in the beginning of the Frankfurt Open and London session open, and obviously brought us that momentum back higher, and now we're consolidating. I'm just looking for a bit more of a deeper drop here before we go higher, but I'm not sure. All this consolidation tells me.
In regards to previous sessions, the overnight session is still very, very small. It's 194 points, not even 200 points, which, considered what we got in the recent sessions, is small. It's not nothing, but it's small.
Gilded or Gold F. Celine, is there a point where you decided to close a position without meeting your stop or take profit? Never. There actually is never a time where you'll see me do that. I'm never closing a position early. Nope.
Mm-hmm. Sarah, of course, says, welcome back, Nick. Thank you.
Alex says, Celine, genuinely close your position. It's basically gambling what you're doing. That is trading. Trading is never guaranteed. I am taking the risk here in this setup and going short. Yes, it's not guaranteed. But it was the same risk I put on in my previous position. There is every risk that last trade I was in could have lost. There's another risk on this trade that this can lose. It's the same. Exactly. Setup that I'm taking here. I'm actually taking this from a higher point in price. And yeah, the only thing against me right now, like I said, which I'm not liking, is this 50-minute FVG that we keep dropping down into and rejecting from. But that's all that I'm worried about right now. I just want to see this inverted. But yeah, it's a risk. Nothing's guaranteed in trading, but I'm not going to just close a trade because I'm in drawdown. Can't do that every time. If I start to implement that when I'm in drawdown, for example, that last trade, closing that in drawdown, I would have missed out on money. So you can't be doing that. Can't be messing with your trades and your probability like that.
Bored Panda says, you need to do a lifting challenge, not a walking challenge. Time to evolve from being a soy boy. Well, that to me sounds like somebody is scared to participate in this walking challenge. Somebody knows that they won't be able to complete it, so they're scared of it. Huh? Bored Panda, you there? I don't think so.
What is your edge, Celine, says Fralik? My edge is my discretion. I will say that every time. The edge is in discretion. Profanity, yes. Always. By the way, I set another light goal, I think, when you were in the bathroom.
Oh, you did?
I said 1,300.
1,300 for another giveaway. Okay.
You think it's too big?
No. I think they can hit it. They still got about like 15 to 20-ish minutes.
I think they can do it.
So, should be doable, that's for sure. That is for sure. But we'll see.
Where's the potato face at?
Bored Panda says, I'd rather gym for 2 to 3 hours than walk for 2 to 3 hours. Well, that means that you're not doing either of them. So you truly are a panda. But also, excuses. You think if you will walk backwards, the short will work? I'm not in a short. Amber says, lol, I joined the challenge. Let's go.
Good. More of you join us. Come on. We're going to get fit and rich.
Or Panda says, I gym 2 hours, 4 to 5 times a week. 4 to 5 times sounds inconsistent to me. I go to the gym 6 times a week, but it's 6 every week, not 5 to 6. Inconsistency. Excuses.
Excuses.
Can you make the excuses soundtrack, Celine?
The soundtrack?
Yeah, you just started it. Excuses.
Excuses.
Now we're gonna put some orchestra music behind it. Perfect.
Yeah, perfect.
It's a Bored Panda song.
It's literally a Bored Panda. That's literally his username.
Yep. Lazy Panda, profanity. Yep, that's correct.
Oh, damn. Mapu says, I joined the walk challenge as well. Hell yeah. I can see there's 13 people, so it has gone up by 2. Still.
Ama's sister complaining in the chat says, Nick, not every time it's excuses. You don't have children or siblings. Well, I do have siblings, so I don't know where you got that information from. Not everything is excuses. Be compassionate and stop putting people down. I don't randomly put people down, ever. What I do is I put haters down on the regular. Yes, that I do and I will always do, no matter how much you complain about it.
Haters need to be put back in their place sometimes.
Yep, it's a fact.
Oh, Bonjour is one-upping us, saying, I will start with 17K today, not Wednesday, and I'll do at least 9 days.
I like it.
Okay, Bonjour.
I like it. And my sister says, in that case, please put them down. Yeah, there you go.
Good morning, Jeremiah Trades. You're late, but good morning.
Well.
Oh my gosh, Bored Panda. Nick, you just tell me the word and I will ban that guy. He's just...
No ban. Leia, no ban. Marco McMario, no ban. Pauline, no ban. Roman, no ban for Bored Panda. I'm having my fun here. Says, only idiots gym 6 times a week and still look like they don't lift. Okay, well, I didn't say I do weightlifting 6 times a week. I go to the gym 6 times a week. But 2 out of those 6 workouts are cardio. So I train 4 times weightlifting, 2 times cardio. And also, look like they don't lift. I might not be massive. That's okay. It's not my goal. I will outwalk you any day of the week. Today on Nick, Celine, do you guys go to a physical therapist or chiropractor on the regular basis? Nope, I don't.
Nope.
In my opinion, as we get older, I don't know about your age, but I'm 30. I'm 32. Like 32, not 32. I think our body is not what it used to be. Oh, my body's in peak shape. Never felt
I am
better.
too. Like, regardless of my spider bite, I'm in peak form. I'm not seeing any chiropractor.
Mm-hmm. Or Panda says, I can out jog / sprint you. Well, those are 2 different things. Yeah, I'm not a great runner. Definitely not. Have you ever done a marathon or a half marathon, Board Panda? Full marathon or half marathon? Let's see what Panda got in him. And if so, how long did it take you?
Yeah, but we also need proof. You might say I ran a sub-3 marathon and we have no proof.
Let's give him the benefit of the doubt. Let's see. Maybe he hasn't even done one. He says half marathon, yes, but full marathon, no. Okay, you have not done a full marathon. How do you know you can outrun me then? Because I've done many. Also, how fast, Big Mouth Panda, how fast was your half marathon? I would assume that you beat me, actually, because I'm not a great runner. Gotta give you that.
Hey, kids, I haven't seen you in the chat in a while. Appreciate you.
Fast Trade says, I love that Nick is back one day and immediately starts beefing with the chat.
Like he never left, Fast Trades.
Hey, we gotta stay true to the brand, right?
But Kiz, how have you been? Hope you've been well. Hope you've been trading, crushing it on the charts. I feel like we haven't seen you in the chat for a while.
Poor Panda says it was a long time ago, so I don't know. But my 10K is around 43 minutes. That's cute.
Nick, don't laugh now, okay? Now he's actually being honest.
That's cute, though. It sounds like excuses to me. Like he ran a bad one and he doesn't want to say it. And that's why he says, oh, I can't remember. It's been so long. I love this.
You love it way too much.
All right, back to trading. I'm still up 60 points on this trade.
Yeah, you're killing it. I was just going to answer Sir Mr. 75. At what point would you exit the trade if it goes against your chops around like today? I'm not exiting this trade earlier. There is a stop in place and a TP1 and TP2 in place. That's it. My orders are on and that is it. Anyone else that wants to ask me when I would close this trade? The answer is never. I'm just going to let the orders do their work. Okay. Sorry, I had to get that off my chest because that's like the 3rd time someone's asked me, when are you going to close this trade? Kiz, hello. I've been on holiday in Italy, eating so much food and cocktails and trading by the pool. Damn, I'm so jealous. Absolutely crushing it the last couple of weeks. Kiz, you're crushing it. That sounds like the ideal lifestyle. That's amazing. I'm very jealous, but enjoy. Enjoy Italia.
Italy. Pizza, pasta, spaghetti. Oh, Justin wants that battle with you, Celine.
What do you say now? I tested it on a treadmill. I've got to buy the Aura ring. All right, Justin, bring it. Come on and join us.
Do it. Do it.
Step up to the challenge.
Step up to the challenge.
Does anybody know who Ziz is? Yes.
Who?
Richard Della say, does anyone know who Ziz is?
No. I don't.
He was a bodybuilder. Wait, if it's the same guy that we're talking about.
No idea. Leah says, by the way, I'm doing a behavioral challenge with Kiss and a few others on X, just journaling your trade days in a B, C rating way to see if you are in control or not. Welcome to join. Yeah, I saw that, Leah. Everybody who wants to check out, go to her Twitter.
Nice.
Wino Kobe says, shame on you, Nick. Sis paved the way. Wait, what did I miss?
He's an Australian, he was this Australian bodybuilder, and he had these really famous sayings, and it's actually sad. He passed away. He passed away early. He died young.
Never heard of him.
Yeah, he just has some famous sayings like that one in the chat. Who said it? Are you Myron, bro? I don't know. He was a funny guy. All the Aussies in the chat, I think, know what I'm talking about. Gamer Apex Link, can we look for longs from here? You can look for longs anywhere. I mean, Nick is already in a long. He had a clean entry. There is a 15-minute FEG here holding up. Someone would be able to probably piece together a 15-minute entry of this. For me, though, where we are in price, I'm still liking this for more of a short pull back into more of Asia's range first.
Also, if we reach 1,300 likes, we're going to run another giveaway. So if you haven't already, please make sure you hit the like button. We're sitting at 1,200 likes. So very, very close. Almost there.
Almost there.
Mm-hmm. Good morning from France. That's where it just was. Good morning.
Bonjour.
Bonjour. Bonjour, mon amour.
Cup of tea. I was going to say cup of tea. Cup of tea says, I think we hit 29,998, then we reverse. Interesting. So we take my stop, then we reverse. Perfect. Love it.
Jonathan says, hey team, welcome back. Nick again. Thank you. Been super busy this morning sorting out shit for the taxman. The joys. But have a great morning, everyone, and see you at New York. Hey, appreciate you, Jonathan, popping in. See you in the New York stream.
Appreciate you, Jonathan. Pizza Johnny.
Laurent says, oh, very good French, Nick. Mais oui, bien sûr.
Comment ça va?
Mais je ne comprends pas, je suis touriste.
Javex Trading says, bonjour les Français, je vous salue du Québec. Quebec.
Hector says, morning from New York. Damn, it's early. 4:49 a.m. Shingis Trade says, thanks, Nick. Thanks to you, I made $3,000. You're the best. Hey, congrats. Well done.
That's good.
But thanks to me, though. You took the trade. You did that. Thank yourself.
Yeah. Amber Mile, why did you short this? It's a clear uptrend. Well, I can take a short, still take a W, still take money out of the markets in the retracements, in the pullbacks. It's happened time and time again. So even though you can be in a bullish trend, you can absolutely take 100-point shorts in a day that still goes up 500 points, 800 points, whatever. You can still make money trading the reversal. Just so you know. Yes, you're in a risky position, of course, you could say, because you're anti-trend against high time frame trend, but still there are some great opportunities to short on days like this. Leia says it's so cool reading where everyone's from. Love from Stockholm, everyone. Love to Stockholm, and love to all the Europeans, because I'm now officially, I call myself a European out here now.
Well, I mean, you live in Greece now, so.
Officially, yes. I get to call Europe home. Eventually, I'm going to tick every European country off the list. I'm going to see it all.
Every single one.
Yes, clip this.
Oh God, Celine, you're asking for the receipts.
I want to do it.
Okay, I believe you.
How many European? Not every city.
No, just countries.
44 countries.
It's a lot.
Let me tick how many I've done so far.
Do you have like a tracking app?
I don't, but I'm going to get one. Right, I haven't done any of these. France, Germany, Monaco, Switzerland.
Wait.
Greece, Italy, Malta.
Amber says Lucerne, Switzerland. Wait, you're from Lucerne?
Ah.
I don't
Neighbors?
think so. I don't think so, but
why not?
Yeah, we got a lot of countries represented here in the chat, that's for sure. That is for sure.
Oh, Amber's from Lucerne.
Really?
Say something in...
Then why are you spelling it wrong? That's my question.
Ooh.
Suspicious. Twice in a row she spelled it wrong. Very suspicious.
Is there something you can test her on in Lucerne? Like only a Lucernian would know?
Well, you can Google everything.
Sure.
Oh, okay, well, speaking Swiss German now in the chat. Amber. Wait, Amber, are you a dude or a dudette?
Amber has to be a dudette.
That's just a little band from Switzerland. Actually, that person is actually from Switzerland. Ah, funny. Ja, geil. Dann guten Morgen, machen wir den Stream auf Schweizerdeutsch. Easy peasy. Jasmine says, Nick, show your trade. Okay, here you go. Here you go. I'm still up. I'm up 70 points right now.
Yeah, these longs are holding. I can't get this.
We got more people in the chat from Switzerland. Let's go.
Damn.
Let's go, Swissies.
The Swiss army's growing. It used to just be you and those two guys, I remember.
Yep. But they're not here anymore. Momo and can't remember the other guy's name.
Yeah, Momo, that was one of them.
Pip Tick Dream says, Nick, I finally got my first payout. Thank you, Tradeify. I couldn't have done this without the giveaway account you gave me that day. Thanks a lot, Nick. Hell yeah, man. Got a payout on the giveaway account? Free money. Let's go. Jasmine, what treadmill am I using? I'm using, I think it's called a Kingsmith Walking Pad A1 Pro. Amber, Lucerne. That's why I said it's funny, because I'm from Lucerne as well. That's how we use it.
Babin Yaga Stanley. I'm from Uganda. Well, shout out Uganda.
From
wow.
Uganda.
Welcome.
Are you
watching live?
Or a missus?
Watching live, but you guys are doing a great job. Kindly walk through the top-down analysis you did for this setup, especially Celine. The analysis I did for this setup for me is just the fact that we had, at the time of my entry, which was a long time ago now, I've been holding this short for a very long time. Basically, we had the previous 50-minute high sweep. We had a strong bearish displacement inversion. And then we had also, at the time, the 4-hour is aligned because we are trading above 4-hour high, Asia high, and all these key level highs. So I'm hoping for a pullback back into much lower, like Asia's range, or we're just going to continue printing higher from here. And I'm going to take the stop on this trade, unfortunately, but I'm holding. The 15-minute gap seems to be a very sensitive area of price right now that we keep trading back into, rejecting, trading back into. So I'm just either going to get the stop here and we officially break this high where my stop is, or I'll get the follow through eventually to the downside. I'm just being patient. But yes.
Let's see. Lucy Janik says for M. That's funny. My best friend is from there. Funny how small the world is.
Oh, did we do the 1.3 thousand likes?
Did we?
There's not much longer to do it. Let me check. Nope. Only 1,200 I can see. 1.2k. Sad. Only 2 giveaways today. Well, I did give 2 max salaries away on Friday, so
yeah, that should definitely make up for it.
Yep.
Let me refresh one more time to see. Now we didn't get it. Damn it.
Oh well.
We didn't get it. Well, that's fine.
Literally gave away like 11 accounts on one session on Friday. Justin said, I just ordered my Aura ring. It'll be here tomorrow. I bet you're never not hearing about it. Go for it, Justin. I'm so excited for this. Very excited to see all you doubters actually come up and face me.
How many people are in there now? Let me check.
I think there was 13. 14, unless it's updated.
Okay, 14. We need 50. 50 is what we need.
Yeah, but you still have to join, okay? Yes, Nick. I didn't join this for nothing.
Well, you don't stand a chance against me anyways.
Wait, can I pull out?
I mean, if you're a chicken.
I mean, I can join another challenge, right?
You're not going to stand a chance against me. That's just a fact.
Oh, look, it says your $15 fee will not be refunded. Your fee stays in the prize pool.
Ooh.
So what, does my money go to Nick?
Ooh, no, to the winners.
Now I have to stay.
To the winners it goes.
It's just going to be me and probably 15 of us fighting it out.
Well, we'll see. We will see. All right. Well, we didn't hit the like. Well, I refreshed again. I'm still in this trade. Chat, my target is 30,001 and a quarter. So 30,001.25. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Celine, you're still in your trade as well, right?
Yeah, still holding this. I will let you guys know how this plays out tomorrow. Orders are on. Can't do much about this. It's really looking like it's going to print higher, and we're holding up this 15-minute gap like I keep talking about. So just going to see where this goes. Not looking good, but I'll update you guys tomorrow on that.
Sounds like a plan. All right, chat. With that being said, put a big fat W in the chat if you loved today's stream. Put an L in the chat if you hated every single aspect of it, which I hope you didn't. And we will see you again at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time for another New York session stream. And then, of course, tomorrow, 7 a.m. for the UK, the London session stream. Celine, before we dip out here, what is it that you want to tell the chat to give them some inspiration, motivation, energy?
I want to tell them that, first of all, go and join our Stepper Challenge right now. Go and join it. See if you can do 17,000 steps a day for seven days and make money while getting fit. Secondly, if you're not seeing your setups, yes, price is continuing to go higher here right now. We're respecting right now bullish price action, so don't force yourself on these markets. It is Monday, first day of the trading week. You don't want to be over risking, over leveraging, and starting a week off on a red just because you can't wait to trade. So only take your setups when you see your setups and stay disciplined. And yeah, let's hopefully start the week green. All right.
Sounds like a plan. See you guys.
Peace out.
Later.
See you guys tomorrow.